won say nipa no ngu na anim ase poto afei ubehu se bibia aye basa asem no kura enimu no na chese wagu nipa na anim ase poto chirosem ni se wo yesa sa nkrofo no wote sa no won tebria wo kuro nachi one day ewo kuro nachi Revelation 22 ebra nia one ye kasa ye ho eno kotu ye Revelation 22 verse 12 downwards no chire mu se sankrofo no atrofo konkonsafo adutufo abosonsomfo ene aguamanfo ene won a etete saa no won nyina won tenabea ewo kuro nachi na chese daachi se onyankopon ediyen kona ahenni mu a sankrofo no wo betena kuro nachi ho no wasiesie di ama wo enti se wo mpese wo betena kuro nachi a aya saa niama wei bia etete saa emmoya ema nipa brabon kona nim no na watwe ho afi ho na watimi anya tena bia papa ade ama okra ka chire waya ade papa Yehowa nhyirawo
no nye okese enso nana elder ode papa bi anope e be was na endra match no to bi hwe bi
no kware asempatra adwuma ni intimate mi anya bi anhwe
ye kura se wan hwe
sawa na de na ye troka
na se ne papa mu a wa hye mienu
yo
ama watena ho no mu ama 80 something minute yetimi atete ka no na wo ho mfaso eni sen anope me hu kontihene ne de odikuro eni jase hene nti ayafa kontihene jase hene ayafa ko kire nana ayafa ma
zigi no vanto Facebook my
na we andra me boy mumimi ni mo hwe anti metiwa na me si wo meeting bi ntimi mbohwi na me ntomfa adwum ha me ba yam rante agu ha no nketesia
na ha efe
55,000 capacity stadium ayama esa
our forecast
anya ize na korea Jeff Nom Magidi zigibi bo adwuma Kevin kwa me edi wa commentary
gidi ojomo wa
na first go by na me say ewurade
nyame ya adom a ye be we ni
enna de ewurade kasa na me ke ewurade kasa na obi ka kira me say nyame be ye ho na me bufu ye na me say me ko wan treni ana say wan yire ho ambobo na Nyankopon dia na wonye na omo ebo ye ne omo bon de sebio wa mo so mentatia
obi asum Nyankopon
Whoa. Continue jazz. Okay. Ati me sorry ye ja olumai. Kakra. Ana me kopem baby die. Me mpa kasa. Anti ayese wanhwe.
Enra me kan e wa free isu se. Won ye se wo behwe ball na won e behwe ball no woni di ansa. E ball no nan bremu no na me wa ha. Me ba ha kakra. Na wo hihye niama wo start say wo be yi ball ne ade na first match no gusuri ana me ka kire on se me de mere kofie na mmon won a wo pese wo hwe ball no won kofie na won kope bibi no wondi ansa unya biribi di wie a na wa ba betena se enye sa na wo de wani to Black Stars so a ubedi udokono kwa o e wo bra chenam bi anka ho unya mekompo ubobubu ahwe ne sa metu honfo na wantie kwa me adi o ya be set 3 ebiesa wam unanswered goals ankrofo no wonti me hye ba kokora am say
kwa me edi na
o no kan Kevin so no na friend am ponsan
kwa me edi
yo o say ya be set 3 the boy ani am brigidi o commentary first match ni gum ni ade no blaster be say the boy ntomo bu ase o na nkrofo we yenimu enti sani ahwa no aiso dwan ho osu no sani ahwa no sabri wo ya park woni ama afi hotel ho
na omuda so
da because anti say no wo twebon wo hotel ho
won free home
o say wo park woni ama ten no wan ko boka bia maye won hwe no wan ko che sika bia so ho say sika wo de ko e na nsan enti wo che na Oba ka say yes.
Na say already
Mo here ni sa
minister say yen komra na on fa budget me wonim say performance no mu kwa ko ye o shambolic troka intino o ma ba wie no why mom ska no mo fa nko na fe no o mo mbra
we cry say ye jawo
oh say abani say ni dey be kasa ho be 3 days 2 days 5 days a week
yeah play say to play ni jawo ho na eka friends
yanti mean too just say ya na do am ko do the emfa
ombra won kwan o be fa so abafie no fa so mda fie
yemfa ombra na ye ba yembe jawo yembe say enkran enkran the capital of Ghana how you fly how na you flew ye free hono me koye
e no mo she kenta kese e de koy kaftan e no kwa ne bo kro man kan kire e no mo koye
continue just hwe won
me blame players me blame coach me blame you bia na me blame no the national body the ministry GFA me blame you mo and pay for no more obia woni player Black Stars nim
oh yeah for real on it
fane bo one fana ma say fane bo one fana ma oh me sa
sadia wakado obia
woni player
anti say me player ewom na ye bo na say wonya winning bonus bia me share ewom
I know they sure
what you say
exactly
anti e bia na nipa ni kura we bra woni form wonya fit o say massa appearance fee kura fanish me na won GB na yendi anti Ghana penifo no I don't
because
know.
o see coach na problema no yenya Milovan Rajbag on na problem na fine we problem ko oko ya benya Kwesi Appea maso kunadu yenya Didi Dramani yenya Otuado asia benya Chris Hutton omu nyina ye problem ana o de tembia oni obi benya ntokwa bia no ono na ye ne mfom so ana we should check ourselves.
We have the same coaches and other things, but we were able to go to World Cup.
Exactly.
You call World Cup. You call World Cup. Being a BSA. So what you say? Enti
foreign players now. You from no. They play in Europe. It's no almost style of play now. I are very sluggish. Like one abroad style no sound no ball. It's no media nan can be say. Say be ball Afcon ye be before and holding and ye the ball no. 18 why can't we groom our local players near for Munkobo? Because ye hear what they know and these European guys cannot give us that.
Oh say necessary ye na blending. They are blending because e be more good. But my men can't show upon everything say one more year nyina no. Wo coach no onye coach fititete. Mo start e catch say sa branti we ya muso yo bibini obroni we onye coach ayi beka Alhaji Gruza wo say we one year coach wo ya malam babi amakobia wase waba ho onye coach enti akwa we onye coach ya ka ho asem tam bia
Chris Hutton ye coach
onye coach
enti okay Chris Hutton ye coach Kwesi Appea bai ono so ye coach ana Enya Milovan ono so nye coach ana
tie mama kan cho
Otuado ono so nye coach
Otuado obi ampamo no ono no wode adwuma ne man no no akọ terms say obefa no just for 1 year no dey aye ne
na say ono so performance obeye no answani
all right but na ne performance was so since abranti we
Chris Hutton
ne performance wa ayi cry
so what is our main problem in here you quiet to me perform
problem in the enye back you can't pinpoint one problem
we are not pinpointing one person
say way say dia wo kan ye no GFA ministry no
yes they are the problem
and na a technical team
any these of the Black Stars no
and a sad 3 bodies way
no we pray on 9 na umia wonsa we pray on 9 kro on 9 na umia wonsa
so antin am pay for can say we have funu ya wa want to press and tare so
it's hard time Ghanaians you be sorry because we are be you be can 2 weeks 1 week na ya twa so
say we be can twa so because wono uni se bia was bodies nim wo say wo ho uni se bia wo ho ye kase ye koto abai mu nyina amani so gigi ye ntoma abranti wei ni ade ye koto ma no GFA chairman Okreku ona ayi a friend is saying what to papa so ya
and the coin me from start na Okreku maintain me supporting kwan bia so but the way Okreku oh but the way all kwan nyama etumi yi Yera George efiri onom man nko atum ko stand there elections need to be passed in some way abrana issue said that's what court no
dibi mami ndibi
na mo ho no sika kra wuremu sen presidential
yes
do no man na hu mpanifo e support masa wona wo kwa ebenya sika ni biedi my sponsor na ko Ghana. Hey, we are live on Facebook. Anope me kaiwe hi Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Kasa Jume Diesuni. Anope ye shasya na ya shasya no ye koni akotwa nsem di akotene e wo sports mo. Anti yensebre no everybody gather yourself. Put yourself together. Let us dance now. Okay, so far so good. KB, the official KB, the original K Brown. We're touching it down. Now we're picking it down. Now we're breaking it down. Now the pay somewhere the akutini biano. I understand the KB once again. Good morning.
Good morning, Kaakyire.
And I pay then some
day and some be brew and some be brew any genuine Ghana for pressure were high. Saying in a year na me the boom abana me be cool on down no because there's symbolic performance we of course we need something. Now
something like
boom. Yes.
Bounce and basketball.
Exactly. And Ramidia before dying to no market.
Oh, dear, now did I know you before?
I have before.
Obeso dia you whole die. All right, that be fire call.
Ziggy answer neighbor shase no. For dear na Cote police for no. Eyen etosumame na Kaakyire ense endra nya na ekoso. Ewo stadium. Branko focus on Mwakoshe Bono. Chese
Meden na mehu. Aji Donzi Bansa.
DJ Donzi. Okay. Donzi attended to a intino. Ziggy B. Betimi a year. Obey ye from Sunafino. Mabayene ye at the amount of fino. Ibia and so I come and so. It's in Mamimbe ye and Famo.
Ye Fama na. Anabe Yenjena. No, now they are two way. No, now they are two way. Hey! And
a police for checkpoints. No. Cote d'Ivoire. Yes. Oh, quiet. Check your answer.
Police in the other.
Yes.
Me ba talk on Facebook this year.
Na koshe.
Na fa comment bra.
Na koshe.
Yes.
Aye.
Felicia. Obo bisa say it's really heartbroken.
It's really heartbroken.
Felicia, me no adwene. Bad.
Who said the enthusiasm Donzi. Edi gina or so ndidi or train say blaster be say two. As I say two answer no coding e do first up.
Some buy me catch them say mumpe bi bin dio. Mumpe bi bin. Me de minya poko na mukra nka mo de montena hwe.
Na blaster say two na Donzi say na kuma 20 mt okodidi and I'm say fine. We could idio could edidi say odidi. Na mum kai hu say Egypt ABC yo. ABC yo. Yes, you too. For the full 90 minutes, no.
But now are you serious? No, I stand to be. Are we serious?
We don't have players who are committed to play for the Black Stars. You can't defend last minute 90 plus something. You can't defend for the ball to send a bit to my point, a bright bit to my 2-1 at least. At least. They didn't do anything.
There was going to a ball be a man come for a bananka wabum boom naka ball in them. A banana boom
nanka
defend it. Naka 90 minutes or so.
We don't have.
I'm quite. So I'm quite school. Yebe kukuru budget.
Abekache say na yi kente no 90 million euros. Kente no Omabekache say ba ko 100 million euros. Inti imagine 20 ahan players are omo to be call no. Obi ade.
We obi bet na Obekasa as so man pani. Oma ye chisa ni pakro na Obekasa. Na kente bomwire kente kra eye papa kra ahwene pan kasa me na asefo bomwire kente papa kra ye de eno kra ba ko yesen.
Obekache wo say eno ni problem no. Who ni say
so who ni say ya won pedi for my mu?
Who ni say?
Ya won pedi for my mu?
Ye ka mo say ema yenka. Mu ni say.
Kente we.
Yes.
One more turn dodo.
Sebio
emba die open papa pa na ade a enye life die hyenhyene ya enche na ba open kente papa eye ya. And the price around 1,300.
Got you who's it then?
What's it?
Who's it then? 1,300.
Now,
my time with Fra one, I didn't win him on 3,000.
Have you?
3,000.
3,000. Now, Casa was share a friend, Casa,
Nana,
unnecessary taxes.
And Tonso,
electricity,
remember to me, Kojina, one didn't come up. And I'm Toby, my Toby, so. Oh, but you are 20 Dudua, yet to do yet to until reduction in him. 3,000.
Obejeno. Obeje 3,000. Oh, we are the best electricity VAT one day.
One day.
Yes.
Okay.
5,000.
Obobisa, I say, it's even more than 3,000.
It's even more than.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway.
When they'll use our money to pay. Yeah, the tax ever too so no what ya electricity VAT. No what ya.
Ha!
No what ya.
Fire anchor.
All right, I will say for your time will be Aquaba the ball. Okoman morning Kasa Okoman morning show no. Yatsina say you break be down here touching it down from around the world of sports and all the latest. Manone and Ghana head no. You be breaking it down here touching it down. Near the VB so metie for send yet here. Na sign effort and matina see there. Now him say yes me kuchini nyamani na. Edi agun krata so na say heartbreak ne kakra woman so no. Yadia and ejuma for the love of the country need no. Yabe adwuma na bibia so ayekama enso e wo fidua mu ayenko ne efa stories ne mbra na bibia enso ayekama ne men check kra na ma stories na afi no yetumi ye de Okoman morning show no yetuma to aso na bibia so ayekama ne abedwafo ba we pie mu e fidua mu asanso na couple of interviews no ebetuma akoso na bibia so ayekama we san akọ ye Mandela ne ade afi akose issues ne ade a etumi akoso wo na afi ne de nkoma wodo na enso etumi aba na yenko pie mu e Europe no endra matches wodo na etumi to dwa ko piem wa Spanish La Liga ni ma Granada etnefie Atletico de Madrid ko se ne ka ba ko an ono nso no wetumati madabra ka mere san komo no enso ma Italian Super Cup no endra finals na etumi to dwa Napoli etnefie ma Inter Milan ko bone ka ba ko an omutumi pick cup no wa ye san komo no enso ma na bia enso aye kama enso ho na ko piem wa championship ni ma sanso na Leicester City enso any Ipswich bo 1-1 wo san komo no Sunday City enso ho yenko ne yefan komo no enso so enfa ma England Premier League no saying it here and Brighton and Wolfsburg a ball 0-0 here the sound come on and so man na bibia and so aye kama obe piem e Africa Asia and na nye easy and ye fedi agoro kra chere say last round of matches no it we to die here the sound come on and so ma Equatorial Guinea and much Ivory Coast a boneka por sa and naya on so went to Mantima the Braca, I had a sound common, and so sounds on a Guinea Bissau, and so it's now, and in Nigeria, I had a pim so, a born call area, and on Nigeria, I bought my Kabakwa, or my to my auntie, my other Braca, anti group A, matches in now to meet so dry, he had a sound common, and so my league table, now the Yansha or Mamma to my qualify now, young fan common, and so farmer Equatorial Guinea, ready Kenya was 7 points with my qualifier or Kokra, Nigeria, and so now I was 7 points on no so call yeah, the sound common and so Montino is third place team there Ivory Coast, favorite, yeah, the sound common also, Mana Bibia, and so I come into third place the ranking teams, Ivory Coast, Eddie Kind with 3 points, Samson and Namibia, I thought to me, with 3 points, Algeria, I thought to me and sat with 2 points, Samson and Zambia, I thought so a 9 with 2 points, Ghana, I thought so Numa, yes, you 2 points, Samson and Cameroon, and so I thought to me and Sia, on also 1 point, I say, open 1 to 4, third best place team now. Ivory Coast, Namibia, Nigeria, Algeria, Samson, Zambia, and on bet me acquire the sound common and so Emma, Kai say. Adia Namibia omombo match sounds na Algeria moye Zambia so mbo last match ya here sound common so Emma na Bibia and so aya kama intino Ghana no also calculations ni adena yegusua na say it me able to was slim chances if some selected results be it me pim well some of the matches nima na Bibia and so aya kama and so wa here sound common so Emma and Capo Verde and so any Egypt at the rentown so match ni kwe na ye tutu sound common so yere ma Mozambique and so any Ghana class na enye easy crack and match ya boy 3 good penalties and it me PMA here the sound common and so mouth 2 Ekoma Ghana sounds na back Ekoma Mozambique and the last minute Mozambique and so share some crucial goal bia here the sound common so ma na corner kicker to me here the twat na here the sound common and so the ma made standings ni na ma na bibia and so I come and our press conference as ya dia coach Chris Hutton heading command na netudwa also ono there wajia tum say this is a great defeat no performance the players ni put up na performance no Chris Hutton now expecting so here is some common and so ma now him say Mozambique coach or the command na ne buy him say answer na match ne be kom or Kaakyire ye say dia Ghana team dia onim yen strength no say nim yen weakness Ghana ye based on individual qualities na ye say ye ni collective play ye ni team nemum ye wo best players wo ma she say Mohamed Kudus mo Jordan Ayew mo ene ni ade ni ekeka ye ka won enti endo wa wo match na course na Mohamed Kudus enya de otumi hu so sa ye holding it down assign touching it down Abranche no na ye say ansheda anko ye endo sa enti no coach ade o ye na duma ye pa na fe in the die embers of the game na fe na ade Blasters players so my bread into that time and I am Mozambique for most of their changes are to be able to me equalize a match now. Here is some common and so man now after the game Coach Akasa, coach said also we are going to provoke the Ghana team. We know they have qualified, but they don't have peace of mind. Now I say, come on, the buy, answer na come match him, and he had a breath here for Namibia, and so I come na Abranche Richard Ofori Amanfo to be man say referee play even the team all boy Europe or your 4th place goalkeeper into the other international tournament like this we have a World Cup goalkeeper to say Atizigi Samsuna Jojo Walakot to bench they have performed really well for us. Adentina Yamfa Omamba na feno ya matana bench ansana yede sound common and so mountain and dry Osha Richard Ofori ye bo bia other than Sakokanya a result in a corner kick yede some match go crossing it me share the Blasters of Ghana na I say to me say I am for ya pa yede sound common and so man na bibia and so I come no and also daily graphics ni ade o share various portals na say enye easy cry obia lambastigana obia any abrese ade ntina ye ko Europa ye to me perform sa so na ye ba boye ndiem African Cup na eno so na symbolic performance ye de mana bibia enso aye kama ye de san komo no enso ma ye ko Europe ni ndi Europe nkomo na fe ye fancy na bibia enso enye kama eye Ohe Mendes no me say odini juma ye de ma Barcelona or say Barcelona want to keep both João Felix and João Cancelo beyond this season. They want to make the deals permanent. It's criticism for João Felix. His performances have been very good so far. Told on record. Now I say, Brantia Ohe Mendes, Odini Juma at the map FC Barcelona, or board of directors no, or the Okoman Kasa, or say Brantia João Felix, sounds in a João Cancelo no. Hey, I do more deals no. Person making it permanent beyond this season. When him say, hey, I do more loan our Barcelona, and so no, I brand say tuning no. Hey, I do FC Barcelona. More your my gen says our players no to make it deal permanent. Nothing be and so I come and so I do more. João Cancelo when him say go be your share and it was very crucial and very nice and very superb and very fantastic. Into no, some shows go into no. More percent deals no. Hey, any permanent because we can see say they have potential in the near coming future no bet me help here Barcelona Bobo na here the sound common and so Mauricio Pochettino no or the common asanya or say Cancelo feel Moises Cancelo feels better. The situation in Ecuador is not normal but it is improving. He is feeling way better now. Few weeks ago he was really worried. We are always here to help the players. You know very well that this could affect the players' performance. It's Brantia Mauricio Pochettino, coach Edema Chelsea Bobo Kono, on Edim Komokakra Edia Befa, Moises Caicedo, or say player and say there, or feeling much better, or feeling much nicer, player and enchano, or bet my primo camp nothing bibia, and so I come and so it's Brantia Calvin Phillips name come on also, but say City, yes, say West Ham guso negotiations gidi say Manchester City player no bet me making a deal on permanent e dia mano na afin was see abesia kan e dia ma West Ham United bobo kona ye de san komo en so e de man bibia en so kama na coach or the ma Atletico Madrid or the Nkomawodo na ba or say Angel Korea no. Yesterday I had a long conversation with Korea. I hope the best for him. I always say that for people who have given us their hearts, whatever happens, we will support them. Now I say, I say Korea, and you Korea, Usina kind of match. Let's go Madrid, Say Obeko a year, Saudi Arabia, Kosia kind of so uncle Nina, no, a year coach and say, support, I will play next year, all the sound common, and so by the sound common, Eddie Mana Bibia, and so I come, and so, Ghana and common, I hold a Balco Virus Portals now, Obia. Lambastigana Obia Poganechi say in team enge Bayer Leverkusen have now made formal approach to sign Borja Ingleses. Now I say Bayer Leverkusen Omako so Omako signing a real petite talent almost say option clause offered today. Now I say open on loan into Borja Ingleses no omo Sasa Brantia ebe to abesia kind of Bayer Leverkusen Bobo na here sound common and so man bibia and so I come Olympic Lyon owner Texter trying to find a way to bring Karim Benzema back to Europe. Now I say Karim Benzema no Olympic Lyon and so no omani dinechi ye papa omo person omo sign a branch no besia kan edema Olympic Lyon bobo kona here sound common na and so edema bibia and so I come make I mo say ha na me de tiefo nyina enso ebesi ewa Okoman morning sports no ha yo Okoman 97.1 Okoman Kasa morning show Kaakyire Kwesi Appea Apreku eti edwema otutu nyama wade edi nyama etutu akwema ibia enso aye kama na ese o breaking it down ase attaching it down ewa Okoman 97.1 mede sound komono enso e mighty no Kaakyire bedani na ye di ibia enso abewe anope ncheke sepa enkoma mono opukuchu anope no icha papa o ye heavy sound Madam Susanna also ye heavy amede sound komono enso ede man ibia enso aye kama enso eja Kwame Taylor also yes na injanse we heavy could be the general yes could be the general also ye heavy power anope no michamu nyina na ibia enso aye kama na asan aye kama sam kodi also heavy papa wa test me hu kama sam komono so sane city enti na ha na me de ubesi na afi ni akoto aweho no so na bibia enso aye kama enti Kaakyire Appea Apreku som na afi no yemfa etiefo enko
yari etiefo be komesom wa ha kire brechere sha kasma du na abono woche ha Okoman Radio 97.1. We are live on Facebook. For our message nebra Black Stars no mukoye yi say na osifa ho no Agunbiade Sheriff or say good morning Agunbiade good morning Felicia Weba so say they should come home and let's think about ourselves. Felicia Ede and also Abba Sabe Pepe and I call from here Dokunu Rabba Kojoda Kon Dokunu Rabba Edi Onoso Nedia Bana Dokunu Rabba can say good morning Kaakyire, hope all is well. I think we have to stop talking about the Black Stars. They don't deserve our attention. The players are more committed to their clubs, teams than that of their national assignment. They are really irritating. Another one says that the Black Stars team should just come home.
Yes.
We need money to develop our game.
Exactly.
Our infrastructure for the game is very poor. We need stadia and other things to make the game more attractive in Ghana. Dokunu Rabba Kojo Dako and oti way aba.
Ma omo say ochina Wednesday. Boom. Aye. Ochina Wednesday into boom after live worship no ye be boom.
Who say Dokunu Rabba Kojo Dako pe boom.
Yes. No ye ndokono ne ensan kan. My bibia anye kama. Dokunu Rabba yesrew. Ma bibia enye kama. Why ye hia dokono. Ye pese ye di dokono. Na
yakoma ona opese odi dokono na asa ye pese edi dokono.
Me pese mi di dokono.
Masa opese odi dokono afra
na mpese odi dokono.
Na wa hwehwe be bia Dokunu Rabba
wona wo
Wisdom. Also Kaakyire, good morning to you and your solid team. Please let me go straight to the point. Ghana football is dead.
Yes.
It's dead not because of yesterday's game, but for the fact that we've been refusing to do the needful football or sport as a whole has gone beyond what happens on the field of play. Ghana is blessed with so much football talent, yet we look at them without any proper modern training, and you expect them to compete with the best. No, it's never done anywhere. Our players, too, was not dedicated enough, but that doesn't matter if the big men are not ready to do the right basic things right. Greetings to McFadden, finest graphic designer in town. Of course, McFadden is a nice gentleman, a very good graphic designer. And McFadden, this is coming from your brother, and he says, good morning, wisdom. All right. At about 7 minutes together to hit 8. But ya behwe Nana ya wonyo ma ahodo ba ko mianu bi ande ya behwe ehu hia me
ebi ne ne wayin sa
na ebi ene se obi ntumi mfa ne pe enhye ni nsem na onye ramps speed ramps ana rambles yenye ne sa Enti ene ebebewre mo oko I think you sign broom.
Yeah, Methodist one.
All that I know is the place is sign broom.
Yeah, I Methodist school one sorry no. Yeah. And right now I wanted to say something about that and I'm Eurefie. Me so my ramp bi wo ho no mo senia eteno odo ka fa so a edin papa my ni din bi etare fam a sa niama no exercise na excel rim na de enya de pa na wo ye no so kra no wonye sample bi a wo ho a e kire say you are getting closer to something of that sort and he say wonim na say e bia wo jakakra ubedu ho no na aye ti said ya Akuapem ha mununkum tumi sia na hu kwan mu na sa ramp na waye wo ho de din bawe no
but in the first place we need to find out ramp on for no but no ya the beton chain na nyame ya adom ochina because you will be tackling social issues God willing tomorrow no na ochina na ya hwe but ye be hwe say ye ni yewura Manasseh Atabua here, a government spokesperson on the economy, bedding como IMF board approves a $600 million payout for Ghana under loan program. Spokesperson on this will be Manasseh Atabua here, bedding como. Sir, and what is a train? Ghana for a procure train, Mako 8 trains, you know, tema.
Ereba.
Trains neighbor according to
ne kwan na ya kwan na wie.
A kwan no where there's almost from Tema to is it in Pakadai or say a dear baby a whole baby. So I find it difficult to pronounce it. What Tema my baby and when I say but train baby amiti and baby a betremu. I think Katamanto.
From Katamanto to Temadene there Juma all right. But Bakono na Mampani Nanado no last Obad last hour you call Eastern Regional Tour no you call her the Oyafe insurance so to me I try call a chini adena overhead no the only train overhead in Ghana the overhead Ghana train line and it was doing well but sometime now the day mentimi emfa ho enkonko hwe say omawie ana say etisɛn nti so okay insu no so pon ho no no
me back be am ko inspect here no now I was going to Akosombo na me to Akosombo and before I maybe do a honom no me fa baby me so my train now say it is go if you want more go straight to the northern region we taught the area kakra then but now no me nim ni akosie but some we me ni Joe Gatti nya ho entokwa because I interviewed Joe Gatti on my show some years back. And on no share me boss 3 months time. Train be free Takoradi. I was then in Takwa Space FM. 3 months time. Train be free Takoradi. Abba Takwa. Abba be saying Etwemu Huni Valley. Abba be say akodunka on ofen. Say 3 months no say and then I be soon there I don't know. I may do baby na me friend be say na say bufu nyina na ade hono but that is my job.
Obidi atora. Na say oh yeah ehunu ho ahun say atoro no anya ntentam na ebeye ya na fede ubisa no ho asem no de abufu na sia
Ghana for no aya no mpese kata ni o so me so no ebre bia meka entina all these years in radio no mean iskei because member jiska na ne ani ho no makase ho ana ne awon ye no mean jiska na makase waye oye papa mebo wabaso oye boni ameka.
Now, Ghana politics there, oh yeah, radio presenter now, so yeah, faithful. I'm my woman Ghana. Now, I small mine or send yes, say in Century ya. Sana Bayani, a combat, and you be honest, Kasa, I say, yeah, open engine just a year wonsa entimi
ka na say
nanka oye adwuma ma party bia ananka no pay ubetena ha na wo party na baso na wo party bako achi ya won didi atam ka sebe ensem a yen kan kire nipa na okeka
anka yen engine mpo ne beto ama me anka omo
atoka foforo ma ma wa park we na si wo kra de daada aha sa na Ghana ha nete but say wunyanya yi dia na forget it akombede wo
ba Yesu nti ekom so de
no so ana Nyankopon hwe na odi hira ne ma se wadi nokware ama wo man aha wadi nokware servant God and country no
yeah
and sometimes so to me etna TV bi achi otumi tena radio bi achi pa na wutie nsem afi okwabran no mu ba he oh Yehovah amfa yen bo ne nche etumi yawo bi papa tumi se enye se ebi oka kasa kwampo oya no boom hor
sani pan ye bisa ne credibility ono akasa ne sunu ne ban te se sani pan kro no di obi papa atem no obi papa atem wodi di na tem no why kromfo
otwene ho a wonti ase
but because of politics in the name of politics inti na Ghana me say oh we of one sa na wa hwe won sa what I say say o fu say wenya akwanya ti radio so na TV so na obi papa ka wunya yanko wo webusuam wunya yanko ya wo papa nko yo wo fa bi anko ye webusua pani bi anko ye wo dihye bi webusuanim na wo di na temo a look we don't and I make us say omo ina no radio no to omo okwem aha because ethics will let you understand this speak the fact, speak to the truth, and that is it. Be fair, give equal opportunities, that's all. And you're fair now. Sikai de bema untina got na radio so now did you be attend na se for emwa ana pay ya behwe but mamin kai one more esi one more dan wie nyina no mo pese mo enya a very good plumbing and anase enyoma ebe mo bath honom no washroom hono aye kama Yefco Ventures and kane WC bia ukoto so a kire se wo bewie betra so na wo nyina aye wo ya na eno etwemu and ope WC papa wo WC Yefco Ventures and obenya bi ope basin and standard obegina na hohoro wonsa wo first friend sink no obenya bi ope sink ana basin si open taps bi wo honom ye frɛ bi T-roll holders and no washroom honom wo say overset white room na White House and and the when you did T-roll ehye so no ye wo shower arms soap dish ye wo telephone showers just say efe kura keke udware ase ukura telephone oh very wonderful one eba no my kitchen wens so ye wo kitchen sinks ahodo pa hono ma efe ye wo soap dispensers wo hono ye wo hose tap tube handles pipes plumbing fittings and then eke ka ho nyina open wheelbarrow open shovel open headpans spirit level nails screws screwdrivers manufacturing tips in asifo measuring tips in asifo ni na Yefco Ventures will be antibody now ni Yefco Ventures enya kita hudie ewo Manfi Akuapem on the Amanfo route kwan is honum fra 10244 185 388 0244 185 388 and 0277863179 utodo do a ye de ko eko komao and I no pay mami ko na Safori nchen na yendin komo honorable Safori, good morning.
Good morning.
Empo muti say
what's on Yankopon adumo me wo ye na wan say
honorable Safori radi adum I hope you say so here.
I'm adum pacho no so we
munya nkoye swearing in wo ho hand over munya ye
pacho Debbie
na mo be ne da ben is it on the 6th of February and I say da ben
pacho sane menya nti ni Yankopon adum 6th of February na ebeba so.
Oh, okay on potem ho bron him so public toilet ho
pacho Debbie.
Okay, because do obi empate mo a obi bro ne so public toilet ho no no onyanso yin kura nso ono di nipa akopam ne otia no di nipa akoti and I say wonderful aye but honorable my yanhwa ye hu Ramsey bi speed Ramsey bi ewo ompotem honom ompesu ane so mama bi sa we hu bibi sa
Mbache yo.
Na assembly na be ya na hwan na ye
Mbache oni di ka mechi ya wetie fo ne abwaso kwa male pe fo ya.
Okay.
Assembly na be ye sana menya ntene.
Anti we nye highway ban road won.
Mbache yo.
Anti ban road for na be ye sa Ramsey.
Mbache yo.
Honorable a sign bia nsi honom wo musanso ye Ramsey ne te se sefunudaka uche se medwene ho a mente ase wonya kwan akwanya na driver for ne bia kasa one engineer oda no mo be ye municipal engineer na di nkomo is it up to standard sir Ramsey so rapport ya wo hoi
ne di kan ne woman say na school no ye complain say mo fani twetwem wo ha na ye hu pa duty time wo ko school no e Methodist school no.
Okay.
The former assemblyman many are paying open honorable open down so ne school no show let the come assembly no the assembly to win him what the country come police was on the assembly war nti me hwehwemu na say ne we pending said that be will be this judgment and my school no but na my you can hear samples this you are mo finally stop twemo one ya the memory day na me nya ntene say one be ye judgment no na and the crowd the accident be in ba ku bi asisi wo then me na me ni committee member or ye ko en kupubu you agugu ko en mi sena eja wodua obeto mo atinti gina wo slow catch train ko for crash ko for ba won slow down bibi se wo kakra nti yakopon adom na urban roads nipa ba kwa me no ba o we see what the signpost no beba later nti won say ade ekoso ta no pay e pay paint kakra na de akofa so a kire say bibi wo ho won say aban adwuma nti me fa to me ni nyina nse won se mu na won kwaye bibia da tetere wo
ya mejitum ya bayejuma but I always believe that if it must be done it must be done properly it must be done well because driver for na applies our route no dodro na nya we se bribi sa den aba ho anti nka wo modwene ho so mo ba be ye sa de we ne kra na rambles ne cross ramp ne kra no enya the way mo ye ne no ana wo de hu sa nya ho
me na require the anymore minimum standard what they are minimum ntimi nkasi ya enye e wo so sa no bi aka ne sa na me so me hu me kwa me say ade mu yeduru e wo so ba na me hu minimum ni say anka ana me susu twen won say anka say we wi na what they paint ya den e fa so na anka signpost ni so wo enemu ya na anka de ajobre ba because wo say bibi wo ha wodu a wato wo mbase
wo hu that is it
wo hu nti wodu american ewu mu ma ayade no wo so de down na ma eto moto phone ne car phone ade na ewu mu no
very 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 serious sabre yakoba ni say honorable Safori wedding kan akire me say ne etiefo say mode e say paint bi akofe fa so ne ade aso one way yimu asutre eba road for na yimu asutre say as when one more day signpost no beba aba besisi wonum
but o debi once in period time me no car educate kan no juma no say akwese ekura tete kwanchen nti tumi ewo mu ni say metima frɛ ɔpanyin bi ni ade no a wo bi say one abo na frɛ one hawo ni no enko ma me sa but in pain I met me no edin kasasi na asre won me dey ato won ani say ni manu a won mehwe na won meye my was Saturday no accident be to see wo amekoya moto na ma bupu ego anti aba ne say so na Okoman radio mo madaroma mo me maka afaso aka che yen driver afo no so si won hwekwam my ehwe won
driver phone the ebe to amofo utu grab for na utu momone so for but rams are my yana at set ties can say obi rim wine and ra obi ne absorber say the shock absorber I was the way I did was no I don't know if to me reduce no kakra bi my yana na wa mo ya de no minim say carpenter ni na be yo say well do because I don't get it.
I think say woman the major amount ka unya urban rules for na one the one come na we go to match exercise in the standard and I say do one from so one day ebe one kasa sem but me the men we say e was so the men we say adara for ni unya asenso di bia na say wo hu say bibi wa o nso wo hoye na so kan bi. I
am trying to get in touch with the urban roach for penny, but we minim say ripple so say rampo say rampo. Honestly, minim me jene ho amenti I can't think far. Enti honorable Safori anope better was.
Me so me da masepa na say me say je Okoman radio Kaakyire driver for ni nyina say yes me say na fe ne echi no so wo kwa won hwe kwam kakra medicine won ne say bi mo with the seat I won hwe kwam no so kan bi na ma basa no e say wo ye driver ni na auto ogbo ase ka say bi wo ho a ka be de obi hu nti won with the speed no I say won so onam kwam won to ogbo ase na fi won ya ma say so ni ade no so won fanche enya aba e de ka ba mu de bat won fanche aba Prince ana betumi aka na Amanfo so mesre me bom pai sita mo eti se mo betu ana mo amaye ni banimu ya se be ade kwa mo be fen yi nyina akwa asem bi woni akwhwe ne etu ana mo na wo me ho kwan ne etu edu mujuma ka be boy nyina.
All right, ana pay ye better wase honorable Safori.
All right,
nyami shira. Okay. All right. Sa Rams bina ya ye wo honom no ha dwene pa. Kebi, find out if possible say obenya the head of the urban roach wo ANC hanoma na ye ne din komo na ye nhwe say we no a ramp ana say a den na ye nhwe. Nana the rubon krata ahodo no say atwetwe ni ti enti ye behwe na ya bo ewremu na ye di hon komo kakra eno na nchen no ensem bi twetwe ni ti bapa hey Morris Ampa
oh
Morris lawyer hopa
sisi adesaja odi ne nkoye wo Kumase odi ne nkoye wo Kumase
Kumase no oye de o
we untimi TV first no nanka law advice nanka otu Amanfo for afa mara send a bear obehu what you should do and ade efe bedu baby no na asesa efe law ho na fe adu politics no so titi man Akropong titi man Akropong do say Kumase ayede do say Kumase ayede say untimi abaye ayinti Amanfo
anyway Reverend Dr. Ebenezer Makwe General Overseer Living Streams International Church na odinsembia tuja enono ekoma EC ejumekuo no or say ahead of election 2024 be firm, fair and transparent asema Reverend Makwe edema EC near
Reverend or one of the reverend I may respecting a Reverend Makwe odinu huni wo nyama bebre mu na onyo bi a otai kasa political issues ho bebre na okasa nso a most of the times who say asem na oka nipa asem okasa say nipa kasa
na so ye nipa ana nipa bi wono mo ka mbo asem
enye nipa nyina na kasa say nipa
ba nipa bi kasa say se nipa ntumi kasa nipa and nipa kasa te sa aboa
say ohun say behavior ema yetumi de ototo biribi ho nti obi tumi bi so bi say wo ye correct ana sa asem no question mark bebre wo ho na che say wo ahu biribi waka biribi waye biribi a kire say wonye correct nka wo ye the rare human being o sebe amen wo tim na
o nipa bi wono mo nye rare human being
dabi say de be fi wanu mu beba no ema ye hu nipa kon a wo ye
okay
nti nipa no gu ahoro bebre nti okasa se nipa na nipa sa no so ye ne na echichire man a
but in this case how do you see easy for adwuma how do you see them
for now no me sise bi a wode to gwa sese no na me ye nyanti ase ene sa tom print na won say ink no this time no won ma sa tom print no ye mfa won satia ne nhye ink ni mu biom said their first no anka ye no
nombende
mo be ye no rosa o ko na ye hwe hu din na bibia wom na onya a machine verify you are quick to go no wakwakoto
wasande obi betimi ato aba na asen akwa asen aba betu bi
no nti na me ne wonya adwene se sade no won famra no nti won yimfim no nti ne esese woye na emasumdwe ba no wonye ne sa na asumdwe mra eno ne nhihye ya asese ya wode abeto a me ne wonya adwene but apart from another me home from so bia esi yeah
okay ewa hanum enim hanum Daily Post the aba say unto me goes into hiding as Ashanti chiefs give MPP 7 days to bring him before the Kumasi Traditional Council. Chairman, I want to me asem say me so. But asem I want to me kind when did you otumfu atem?
One carbone.
O say obuno.
Yeah.
Na onsuro no.
Obuno say ne hene.
Obuno say ne hene.
So man hene. Or the respect be a fata emano. But onsuro no.
So why is it that Amanfo ahimfu ye train mbra ye ombra ye fani mbra menhia?
On say eno na me kan.
It is only God that we revere. That is one thing we have to know.
Tio bra penhene kasati hoi ayade bia se wore ye na se wanye ni ya. The power behind it, the gestures behind the language that you spoke. Sema kan brofo ni ye.
What can ye pa?
Medase. Nti gestures na edi asam na wo kan na chi no. Gestures no po ya kan esen wo twim. Like wo bobre suban a oda na di won se obe kasa se na obe chia na no so na obe ye nanim se na obe srew se na obe ya sa kwan na o be fa so akasa no eno na ye hu se asem na wo kan no sebe esin to wo ho ana se ne kwan so ya ne so hu enti se obi rekasa na se orekase minsuro no o hwe nanim na o hwe na no ene se na osigina o kan asasem no se ya asem a o kan ewo ne kwan so a you see it se ye ebufu kwan so ana se ahomaso kwan so a ubehu enti obi tumi ya wo obi sebe enso na nipa no eresero so ati ase ni aya onu mu no no resero obi so tumi ya obi na nibuafu because the gestures behind it enti sabre na no gina hore kan asem no sa moment no na ne gestures at saying as okan asem no na yesere wasem na abufu asem na ya homaso asem so what as metimi ne wagina ha aka say oh manager me nsuro no me respecting is or me manager ba me nsuro no won say na me si aye mani mu ameka say metimi ne waka say oh manager dey say ye nsuro no manager dey o ni party say ya di manager de enti se usuro no so ade ase sa semu amakan ebo abura esipae enti se okan sania wokan nipa asem de a ene nanka bone bi anim namu okan se ahomaso ana se
onfo se bio se okan ahomaso mu mpo a eye nokra ne na ono oka se nipa de ye bunu ye nsuro nipa
ye bu nipa fine nipa nye jata
sa
na oba wagwan
yeah
so ati ase aha na se obi ekita tumi yemfa ne se manager ewa ha baby aye we ye wo manager wa ha enti se wotumi gina ho ekasa na to so ase manager mi nsuro no so what I say the way I will
it means gestures now okay
gestures no
mene we adwene it means be bishop man nipa no I yes sir and the bad dear and man nipa no so the ebufo mpo de kan a wo kasa we also need to find out
enti no ana make us say ano sa ensam no ne enti a ebi a asanteman wura ana se wona ka asanteman wura ho yes ade na ene se wo betumi ehunni enti a okan sa anan adenti no ogan onko anim no onko kan kire won sebe kumasi ahemfi no ye court ni ho police station ni ho a ye kire nipa ehye ho ana se ye kire
okra court ho mention police station ho
inside ho
mention police station
ye mention ye bron
mention but ahimfi otumfo ankasa ho no police station ho
isa me nwura ho da mo
okay
nti mintimi enka ne sa ye nkire nipa ana se ye kire okra no a we nya ye friend saying criminal case na yakase ye kire wa ye ma bail so ade ase nti onko no enko explaining no ho enkire ni wura otumfo se na oyene manka ne sa se na me kan no se sebe uyo nipa te se ye ya enti ye nsuro but nipa de ye de obu ene nidi ma no sebe me ka me nko anka onko no nko meti won no chire mu chire
na bible kra ka o se akoma emutie no ensuro afodi
David
want to say if oni adwene bi teje no
chira de kan sa
onko
Uncle. Kona koko.
We me anka meko ni simple.
Simple cra.
Meko. Wow, meko. Morris Ampao calls some Ashanti chiefs thieves and sexual perverts.
Waka. Anti se
onoso wamon be fa.
Se sebe oton mu yedura ana o mene adobe aba. Ba wode eye muamu ate se medi ya unko mene adobe aba. Cause o bomodin amene a kode ebeko na mo se na ebe ye bepuen eno nso so ye ochena asem enti se watumi ahwe na wafre ahemfo ne se woye chiefs woye akronfo se be kron adokoro na se wasan ye osi woye den
sexual pervert.
What one day one sisimu ya one desa kokono. Na
wo buomu.
Dwe.
Omo aba dabrijo nyina etumi so buomu.
Nti se what can I say na se wo ho evidence eniama a ekire se wo ya kromfo a na de aba betugwa na court no frewa na wayi ano na fe kwan a wonim se wo fa ho a won sisimu ye won de na wo buwo mu sa kokono eno so edu ho a wa kire simple antietia o se kuruni aduruni na odi atare anim o na wokon
drone bentu anie
sa
na yenko okay
you
Daily Post Groya yesha former first lady in Foni da ha Lordina Mahama na wani kranfo bi ene ehia na otu wonfo na ɔhyɛ wɔn crying so wei esi ɛwɔ kura yɛ frɛ hɔnom ampoma no bibi say the elections no astarte no ana Lodina Mahama ya maame ade a wota ye dada
Lodina Mahama you be a me respecting was aden ho ontena faako ne kunu ebeye omanpanyin abedi akiri ebeye omanpanyin abedi akiri obeye omanpanyin ne ade nyina no na Lodina okọ rounds e de support ni kunu sabra no yo omanpanyin kura na ote aguaso no no okọ rounds de support no ne ya wa beye wo friends opposition leader all vice ye beto abama no me sure say obemia sa ayine moye na watumi akọ rounds e de a support ni kunu sebe wo se wo yere nye kura ntise ne anko anwoda so ahu enti se obo modern no boya ne kunu a enye den na se esan ba bioma esan friend first lady sisi your former first lady esan ba friend first lady enti ni sa aduane ben wo bo udin ena wo de nu aduane de a uhu se eja asan wase a o kan ja ni shemu a because ben a udibi.
All right, it's 24 minutes after 8. This is Okoman Radio 97.1. And I pay my uncle daily daybreak in so. Now, yen daybreak is so edia, but daybreak was leave upon people alone. But some back one, story back where me there house here. Akufo chiefs deny Mahama. How? Akufo chiefs deny Mahama. How?
Sir, and someone a buy no. Our friend day, man paying dada mills. I'm a zim a person, Once system said, Tenasa Nasa, Efrena, Abrabona Obon, Ala onye mawa, na system, nerds in Puncha, bro.
Simunia nom Ghana for da honasipi Wobosha Ghana yet. Hey, now me them si came one canker. Prof, may he so rest in perfect peace.
What's the mo? What's the mo? Anya mini, amalamunwi. One no card mo.
So Akufo chief deny Mahama, and like we are saying, and some bakumi no a so.
Yeah.
Say Prof, yemfa ne autopsy report, emfa emra ne nasifo no. Eno na emsa Akufo.
One say Abra omanpani dada mills eko ninkrechi okọ ekura no ekunfi mpanifo ye won adwene se wo ka kire omanpani Mahama se ombo modern moa won na wo meye won fa na mu no mra kunfi na wo meye baabi wo ho ma no na enye enkaidum enfa mom se abribia no obi eba kuro no so ya obetimi akọ ho se yen this way says and the course.
But that's possible. The chiefs should know better. Sir, he's a statesman, or he was a statesman.
He was a statesman all the way, the same. But be a ye man say statesman, ye didn't quack shahon. A honor hifa.
It's in the capital.
Nana a honor so cranet today. Yes, a village amano. Village in Ekosi day.
Ghana, it is because you see culture of maintenance and a problem at the Maya. Because to me, I see nothing wrong with Professor Atamel's buried or being buried in Accra. Say one more seeing one crying. I mean, because look, am I paid for more baby aqua and no more baby in ano? Sebio, Senyamiton suffer. Ayen kran here na de omo ebeto
kotoka awahin fa na de wahin afri fa na de wahin ye hu ni nyina ba bia
omo de won say ye bo mutuo what I say a firing squad
buzia
buzia abrefi mi ni baby say abrefi buzia but say woye wo man pani na enye tuo ne di tu no ekun na I mean Mbranu no say man state barrier.
Yeah, state barrier na enti no yede no kwhye ho ekoye fine. Actually no na nkrofo ya ebojamu yi. Eho no wo bojamu na wode wɔ nneɛma drop nneɛma ɛwɔ hɔ.
Na sɛ oboja mu a ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ eja na ebom no ende wɔn atwusu cemeteries emusieye ɛnɛyɛ ɛnɛnko efiri tete. In fact, who study baby Jesus Christo, the journeys of Jesus Christ. I have the book. Who study edu baby dan make just say River Ganges ho. Odu ono no na kyerɛ sɛ Amanfo tete ono ma river no ho kra na sie bi o side ono ma omu ye na Amanfo oboje mu ho. Yes, yes, no cry back up. You see the journeys of Jesus Christ. The journeys of Jesus Christ. Book no bema what I say Jesus Christo okoya in the modern day Afghanistan. Eho eno court na ye or settle ye. Emma even book no I predict this book obi a wotie mi bia opa ukoyuka womo wo a how do we a museum bi o honom. Womo wo this is it a library bi? Okwa e better say Jesus Christo a yenye di nechi no. Obasa si so tu kwan okosettle ye oware ye ewo modern day Afghanistan. I have the book. Remember a copy of the book. Me a copy of the book. I want to say na saying to ko bi kura ba ho say Mary Magdalene Yesu eware no. It is captured. Obama scriptural references na ade nyina. Na se ka se Yesu ade a ho. E ma ye ntra wo se obi nka bibi nche obi nka bibi nche obi. Sankrofo no na se for na from the sons of Anabi Isa. The remnant of Anabi Isa. Anabi Isa ye hwan ya?
Yesu.
Na se for. Anyway, ye beko na ye ni yewura Manasseh Ataboahen akodi enkomo enanope. Yes. Oh yeah, government spokesperson on economy. Now waboye kakra na ya hwe se Ewurade adom $600 million biaba. Nti sika na beto account nim. E de na ye di sika ne ye. Ya ti se stalled project na no wono be fiase ye. Yewura Manasseh anope Okoman radio ema wachion.
Mejo so minia.
Odaro mampo mu te sei.
Oba de adaro ma me ho ye. Meje di se oso ho ye pa.
Ewurade ehu ye mobo ye ho ye. Yate se Ewurade adom kakra bi eba ana se bi kra se wa ba betom alande asete kra mayem bi se $600 million asem ya ye kai aba emba ya brebe na eba na tomu na what is the way forward then ena eba be ye ede aboa maga na economy no afare ntoma pefra ana etibi agina ne naso
yo mame na wase na me frank akese nso ma ye tiefo nyina na anɔpɛ ne wadwuma kɔfa ba ne wapam from world studio na se de nyina enim no ye on the 12th of January ye ina amana hodo Ghana ye de omokade ye from official creditor committee no omo de kratai by see no omo ne Ghana edins also mama ye de friend moratorium na say ebre what say ye de tia car ye de omo no omo ama ye grace period in this year and next year now from 2026 na ya say and from one spread it in fear what say ye de tia bosiano for long period of years very very significant and no be quite ma IMF executive board on last week Thursday mutanase almost so approve the second tranche of the $600 million US dollar release na on Friday IMF for any Ministry of Finance any Bank of Ghana eje bre in central for share mu ema obo announce say no more approve na me adoma in the course of this week sikano ebe hit Bank of Ghana account mu na will be say sikano nyoma ben e be dey kind a balance of payment support na ya balance of payment support I say dey nyina enu no oman ni need to me say ebe print dollars na impempi no hwe adwadifo ne omo demand dollars say dey be on bet me dey do omo djuma na ya na e was 3 year na the only way I bet me anya dollars and say odi nyama be kwa ma no ne akoton ana say obenya e be a grant ana say even loans na the moment IMF for $600 million US dollars so bano ebebo ama yetimi anya dollars ewo ye futuo mu a ebetimi abo ase de be ya adwadifo ehia dollars de omujuma so ebetimi anya bi and again beyond IMF $600 million no obeka ye bra last year or even in 2022 ye say ye na IMF din komo a ye domestic debt exchange program ne buy no aban estate foto bi a na yefrɛ the Ghana Financial Stability Fund a na ye foto bi a aban any donor partners committee resources and sika to it said be ya omo efre mo pemu assign on to aban new bond sese no se koba se impofri mu ahokyere bi ba o betimi adwane ato a saa stability fund no for sika emwa na IMF World Bank so any aban akwa sisna amom so I promise say entebia by the end of February amom so ebe release $250 million na omo ediama Ghana by said be betimi dey ato financial stability fund nim na financial institutions a among so ehia wa omo sign that exchange omo etimi enya support whenever they need it. Indeed, dollars never boa said be ya betimi enya more supply. Dollars never does na commercial banks ni other people enya bi no metimi dey do ban say dollar ne born so aba from na koma translate to nyoma boa eba from fango eba from ya dey boa eba from na afi nyoma na akokra ekokra ni benyina nyina abo so eba from again o hwe IMF say na omoye very very careful with the critical projects na only me be ya adwen say ne o baga na there were a lot of projects here were hospitals bebre ayesisi and even akwan bebre ya contractor for akọ pebosia ba akansi say what happens is that saban award contractor be contractor na at the initial stages no contractor na company bosia no they are best started and for most of the road projects no ebu ha na loans from other countries or even multilaterals maybe na can't say na any omo sign ebu ha yes omo to say be for example be $50 na mo dey aye akwan we but omo to can nkakra nti first transfer subsequent releases na maybe it will say yes na ekwan na say be a hospital na say projects be aye na say account say more funding be anywhere the best was as part of IMF for release no more ama abaya kwenya critical projects be a road projects be a hospital projects be a schools near there very very critical ANPD development and growth no this maybe complete some of these projects so they be a bit near Ghana for atomo and again in fact on Friday tama IMF ne Ministry of Finance the Bank of Ghana a press conference no IMF missing chief ne mention here say ba IMF jumedi o mo say ya ban de gu akwema ye de bua mobro wafo any omo a ohiabubra do krom na very very important to them nti omo ma ban akwenya say LEAP the livelihood empowerment against poverty a targeted cash transfer it may identify phobia any be perform rewafo a omo titi akire a asetena omo ntimi nya adwumampo na omo etimi afford aban target omo abosumi bia send this come omo a IMF akese sudua say omo sika na aban betimi edibi ahwe sankofo emu said e be ya bosumi bia no sika na be kopepepe na there will not be any delay in the payments to this people. And again IMF mentioned the friend school feeding program. Now on the school feeding program no omutre mu say no so very important so sha ban ni so ade na ye say enwa aduane ama ye mofra ne ye mabu no mo even the primary basic schools and the junior high schools and even the senior high school day students mo free feeding free meal per day a very very significant IMF can swallow said they be a bit me and DBI collectively IMF can beyond the balance of payments said they be a the phobia be the best critical sectors of the economy projects the bra cancer when you me awie e wa bra ye ma ye enfi omo a ohiabubro so adokrom said they be a bit me omo asne.
Wonderful. What can you be in Euro Manase? But my ambisa ye who say, ye share Sasikea Ebe, Botaye si and Isujumedia, IMF no, at Diamaya, ye betty meti a $250 million US, and then so Ebeba home. And looking at all these critical projects that ought to be finished, you know, are we not biting more than we can chew. Already we are owing. And as a ye busiana ye bono ye sika na ye jiji fra manoni Amanfo hono and kwados do and ya do ye betimi etuasa aki.
In fact, Ocean IMF Jumedina beyond the financial support, no. Adiba Akwa Omoye, and he said through the Article 4 representation, I'm making sure say me abwa member countries said they were making me restructure our economy. And Obekaya from last year, there were some indicative targets. There was a buying. It's me achieve. Now, never go where was I buying Eddie Guaquem said they were going forward. No, you bet me reset the economy. It's a ocean energy sector now. Yeah, this is a Guaquem said generally issues of subsidy. Even cocoa board, energy sector, agri sector, other places are buying a granted subsidy. They are more because are buying 8 year a cabia also which are buying more collectively. Just are buying could resist cannot understand. Therefore, it's an idea about buying from into there has been the various sectors of the economy. And no moment and again, they are buying a share you better supporting a lot of businesses to grow. Into now, I say there are a lot of interventions. And now MasterCard, or UPS or more mention say it's your more target say about 250,000 in Melbourne 250,000. Said they are someone or more paper. Someone can also a bit business. I buy any MasterCard, actually, effectively, it's instructive, say, the effort of government and even the IMF in ensuring, say, the economy, they are very, very important. And again, what IMF, that's how are we not biting more than we can chew? IMF, join based on our special drawings rights, based on our contributions, and he said, join the cool now to deals and no more so and I say I want to be about so no much so at the above Bosia and IMF Bosiano a very, very concessionary, not just in who know our form in fact, share IMF in Sihuna between 0% to about 2%. Now, that commercial loans be over 8% to about 15 or even 20%. And I think so IMF no a moratorium on Phoebe and I think so say with your long years ago 20 years, 30 years, not to say spread and kakra so the own pam sika ubenya in a year now finding in uncle to IMF support me the best option are available rather than going for commercial loans and a short period to pay only over 10%. No, in the case of financial difficulties, no, IMF bossing and a work from between 0 and 2%. Too many years and return a better option. But generally, I buy a share and the essence of the debt exchange program, any the quarterly adjustment of ECG or more light bills, cost credit. You bet me, I'm making sure say na yes a new any economy instead no in the long run na yet shine the rate at which I above because it means these institutions engineer to operate at high level efficiency. I believe they are just a bank of pebbles here able support you not just a ball or mine for me of a you making sure say and your money almost every quarter you light bills, water bills and bear with they frequently say ECG age and other government institutions age no be and bear and can it no more kasa ko bobo and the bear and will purchase no be bafom and also bafom my desktop is so bafom.
Sa Akufo aba ECG asemi na ka me din ka baby sha say sa bisi ya na say sika IMF for ede maye no be maye akwanya ebetu ama aban no etime employee afanipa e wa aban dwuma mu ana another chain no already people are of the view say as a hochire wom kakra Ghana hochire wom oman ni mu ayede kakra eti ye kan sa na say ye san de sika bia ba beto onom say tariffs ye tumu a ECG ye tumu a ECG so yes this is the ya tumu de bia to so as 15% say ekoba say chance ya ye adwuma eno ankonkofa wo haw ne oye ne embre timemufo
you intuition IMF Jumedia, in fact, even in this year and late last year, I created a lot of enabling environment. Say, for example, the Youth in Agriculture program. You can say you target about 250,000 in Melbourne, but 200,000. You say you saw Masne. Now, some be require Jumani more. But maybe more 500 cities. Said the boy on bit me a day at Toby be a day. When you not buy, say you want. You make sure say a mobile was especially no and again on the issue of employment there hasn't been a complete freeze on employment and then I buy 6 new hospitals since I buy 2 hospitals new and a lot of state institutions are and maybe you'll be to quiet and will be a judgment about you bet me I replace you there is not a complete total ban say. And I mean, I buy new hospital, yeah, commission hospital, maybe, and the intimate phobia, and hospital, you see, what's our doctor for Koyajuma, hospital administrators for Koyajuma, cleaners in Koyajuma. It can never happen in that way. I buy what ways I make sure, say, for the critical services, and again, Usha critical services are soldier for, a police for, Ghana immigration prisons near there. Every now and then, as the need will arise, no. Say who could hear far or more away from him said they are going forward. You bet me make sure say to me as some Ghana for a year so.
Wonderful. And what boy in Chiremo ama enyo maybe ananka kane yenti ase no obi bese ye ti ase kakra eba ma yanhwe sisi awakoye obi a okasa government spokesperson on the economy. Sabre ye bisa say ye wrabo ahe ye economy ye gina sen ye gina breti sen a sen na betimi aka a kire yen.
Yo menua enti ye economy no. Yes, so bisa say ye gina breti sen a na say ye hwe ye key macroeconomic indicators. Obia ne ye be ya adwen say de na nneoma sitie last year or even in 2022 and yes I net this year. Into a far even inflation a course could do 54.1% for December 2022. The current figures are by for 2023 say a swear shine by a quote 23.2%, a swat by 30.9%. Very, very significant. And again, we share or minor reserves, dollar reserves. And I say gold reserves now in 2022, and as a country beyond local currency, so it's either gold and I say other natural resources are very valuable. Now they are back to currency. Even countries are to gold or you realize or to gold. Say they are no so it's back currency. So how na some currency need depreciate here. Gold need a time there no. The value near cost from bit there no so it is. I was in 2022 near gold reserve near form na kwa na form. But as it stands now, it may increase a gold reserve significant as see a cost of and a dollar reserve and also so the same thing. Yet me up and also so I was saying. I mean, exchange rate now, CD dollar no, in 2022 at a point dollar it could drop about 16 to 17.
Yeah.
But yet me some relative stability around 11 cities and 12 cities for a long time. Now with IMF $600 million now airbano together with the Financial Stability Fund of $250 million by end of February, Everton account. What it will mean is that Ebema Kwenya Ama or more more per access to both from the various banks, or more per dollars, or most access to dollars. Dollar no a home quache na same view and no a bassa a beboama and yama bonds so abe bafom. Collectively we share the gains even with the dollar, and again, Osha said the inflation swab from And I think said your mind, you know more dollars for your economy anymore. Yame Adumo China from China Equity Isiada, the Monetary Policy Committee of Bank of Ghana, Omo ye Kobi Omotina say, no Masha said the macroeconomic environment. If you can know decide on the policy rate rate there. BOJ at the bar, the various commercial banks, so they are setting on interest rate. They are confident that once inflation outperformed by more than half, and I think so once you have more dollars in your economy, you share the monetary policy rate. Bank of Ghana maintain for a while. You expect to see a better from. So the bear no so bad from a Bema banks, it's mere reducing interest rate. So the bear banks, it's say is who are more charge or more. Bosia so and also beboa na going forward so be eco bank edwedini bi co bank na okoje bosia so the kodini djuma obenya bosia no a lower interest said the bear is who no form and be encourage more businesses to grow into collectively your economy who significant gains in it and more money and this is something even the IMF missing chief and the World Bank for said they have been surprised at the pace at which Ghana yet me demonstrate a high level of commitment and yet me good gains dollar no na holding but from Sydney some stability and again fan go are relatively stable in the country for a long period and I think inflation is also but from and again I did buying so yeah as it relates to the economy has to do with buying the Akuffo said the bear a mebunu bebrea omo any edgeman or money edgeman you bet me and as part of a buying effort, you see now very, very easy. Or more person mura agrek no a buying someone or more kasa person or mufi or mupemu right to IT other businesses and a MasterCard in Swabema. Just yesterday, a pound home to me about 250,000 of the youth in the Asia Kwanye bit me support your mean see economy no this year you be some more significant gains in the economy. In fact, inflation may dollar one a bit shine the ever cut back to a pre-COVID era and you want say even the IMF and the World Bank or more revise the inflation target for Ghana to 15%.
Yeah.
To 15% and you want because the inflation is sweaty atiana your inflation for 2024 January by December 2023 it may end the inflation with 23.2%. And yeah, it will not be out of place for anybody to say given the inflows of more dollars, any Juma be buying any MasterCard Foundation, any other donor countries, Ghana said they buy a bit near Juma Amana Ama economic growth across. It will not be surprising say the moment our policy rate in Subeba Foma is in who or Bosnia House Beba from Bema Amanfo and Quenya Ajib Bosnia media trail machine. It will not be surprising say inflation is also a from and again I buy a play a lot of real insurance say a back in your mabona and your share crowd your food inflation. It's me dear and no by a brave organ 100 years. You bet me a control by imported inflation and no send your mabona cost through be cruel now of every or bar. No, a cost row when the government has no control over except with the exchange rate and after dollar from. But food inflation, I buy air tackle food inflation with the planting for food and jobs phase 2. And I think so if be the economic enclave project. Enter the better home commodity economic enclave project near Jumede be a buying area in 3 areas. Bakuo a Tripoli area Bakonsu Kumasi Kumeru and a Bakonsu Uti region between Uti and the northern region.
Okay.
You making sure say you do grains and more any to so dear near they said a very reduce volumes of imports. In fact, yes, I say on a very large scale. In fact, Kumasi you have a lot of bro national service for no more pretty Kumewu enclave now. More yes, more harvest a lot and look the Kucho enclave now, and also some more rice production on 10,000 acres. 10,000 acres of land and only strictly for rice production. And after so the Banda Uti stretch now 20,000 acres of land. 20,000 acres of land. Some can say yeah acquire to this 20,000 acres. You making sure say prepare assassin for massive production and very soon you better see the home come be brain afi ya Ghana for the these economic enclave projects and no be said there be more any a bro, any nobaya, a crefree man on the banana, a crefree, a man who do a bay in neighboring countries. No, so I can tell you for a fact that this year, no, inflation is so very high for single digits because of the massive investment and intervention in the agri sector. You making sure say, pija, create, you remember now, the maybe be a na yet me producing no buy no all around and a brody about this time and it's a clear banana a one quacky and a boy in there be beyond all year round. Let's be on the watch out for more significant gains in the economy. Don't say your mom from super.
Lighthouse, you say Gagaye or say watch out. Isaac Assemblies of God rather. My young friend, when you now about boss watch then you Ramanase, near Ghana nippers who say, is it going to reflect in our pocket? The be who be away your bottom. Say,
very
from where you say, now your bottom in swear.
Very, very important. And the bottom you see significant changes in our pocket because in Mabunu be Motifie, no more near Juman, see, no. Through the MasterCard, and yeah, can you say now? Yeah, sensitizing Melbourne say, call MasterCard a foundation website. No more reading and information asymmetry. So be cost no one, no one 2-1 more. You better watch. There are a lot of opportunities about intervention policies. I did be a cajon as a man, over hall to hold here, the on your horse, not funding war. I see Brani and so as no Hoshi now feed the trim. See, I can see near encouraging Melbourne said the planting the Ministry of Food and Agri website, or University or normal reading, no more apply MasterCard Foundation and so website, or Monco no more can no more apply and say, oh, why they best support it in Melbourne said the Bay. It may be our best way, so say, so contain a maybe our business room, I provided the amount. Now, wait me after two business. Into a day very, very significant. A very reflective, Mebunu be brave, but more money, Juma, a buying as from us. A very reflective, don't say, see, Cabe Bomb Butuma, or one Kasa bit me at the Asher Bushia. And again, said dollar buono, every baby bafoma. Ye be who ever translating to Nyama Boy ever from in your walk or so. Last year, a drew the beer, a more even our gallon. And 1 gallon yellow, a costra could draw around 1,500 or so.
Yeah.
And then Okomaketa, a bona baba from, and the moment Nibwani from, of course, they are reflection in our pocket. And in more rain fee, say inflation alone, inflation, the cost of holding money. Into the moment inflation, a cost runner. Inflation could do 50%, ukra 100 cities. I want to Ubako and your man can be me after and canina and inflation, yeah, bear 10%. No, and then inflation, I hope canina. That's the reality. It is inflation, but for my not to say, Usika no more purchasing power, I'll be to me the same amount of money. I told you, might be brain. The reflection in our pockets, there, you be who be brea, a bet to going into the end of the year. So.
That sounds so good. It means you are working. Abino airborne homeboarding war ye juma. Sedebeya masika, especially with the youth room, Bebruno Bibi ye bottom na are reflected. Medawasi Hobart Mayan Twaways maybe that's no cray. Sir, the Ministry of Railway procure 12 trains. Eba or Maimo. No cray.
Yes, no cray. Na Overshare the Yaba Baimono, the Impakadan Railway, one railway line, yet near developing it so fast. And beyond that, in 2020, Urban, yes, the Accra and Sawem rail line. And I think so, yeah, what the Accra Tema rail line, and also, yes, in fact, the trains are not be brena. I touch man, it's new operating yes, now and also it's in the edge, man. As part of the effort in easing the pressure, I walk by way of traffic near the Adinabai. I say, said the Kitiki and I say trains, Makuma could do me, you bet me at the Abba, now say, or more community from Accra to Tema, and also Accra to Sawem, and I say, along the Pakadan stretch, and I'm also so a bit near Quenya, and most importantly, and offer a major roads, Niswa. Uber who say, and the reason is that cargo or more heavy truck machines are or more Eddie, and Yoma, Equoy, landlocked countries, no. A hard year now, and your money will to the extent say it puts a lot of pressure on your road. It is about fat choir and share the way a bit me create an alternative. Said they are pressure or your major roads, no West African roads, a bit me a zina. A choir enter. Now, one of the strategic ways I buy implemented they are about movements within the regions in Africa outside the region a bit me a point. And indeed, share the effect of rails now and I say trains now purchasing on productivity now very significant. And the reason is that and then so free tema now so be Juma Accra. So we're free around 4 or 5 a.m. Now money both 6 or 6:30 and one Juma crank because before I'll be free tema around 6:30 or 7. I'll be drag crano. That is about 9 a.m. cry it's the amount of time a full wasting in traffic. A say productivity. Amanfo into obet natural baby regiment cry no brain 50 na no abre. Now if you lose concentration, these train systems are there, they are no train quite their traffic be any so train quite traffic be any so Bema movements are very, very easy, very significant. And I buy a shining with these 12 about now a schedule operations I bet me I invest more in the railway sector. So they are going forward, you bet me I replicate the train system the various regions. And indeed, Osha Jumedia, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Mampenye Chem, there were a lot of rail lines that passed through Kumasi East in almost every part of the country. Into the Abesha Kwame, bet me I raise this Kanafi, yet me CC. All these lines said a train, a beneficial to everybody in the country. Now, let me travel across. It is Tamale now, but Tony maybe a cry and once all the train, not to say a transporting your man abroad. It's very, very significant. The implication on productivity and the economy very, very great. So.
Wonderful. About my on our scale of preference, why don't we prioritize maybe Kumase, Donkwa, Huni Valley, Takwa, Kojokrom, Kumase, and Sawem, not Yenka, and no ending kind MYA because Osha, in Miania fish the Mubano, a draw upon said the Wukano, Yuramanase, I say load near that, and a Maya Quine crowd to a science so deal yen science to cross science so braying. Sad lines in Nano, Menya bre, Afebiso Kakra. Menya bre ato biso ahwehwe enyo me kaise me yewura jogati din komobi ama washa me bose o kechiri ma me beya bosumi miensa entemekosi enum train ebehase efiri kojokrum ha yetakurade edineni akiremu ewodunkwao abewura huni valley akofo oponso akwa nsusu aden akwa kopie dunkwao na edurukumase se mi ntwantro ha meninka emfie aburu mfie beye num enie enti deba de na etwen san deba de na amasa de we yentimi maso sisi yakwan no rails na asayo edan na yeye
yo inti eba rails ene said the west ya mention I mean, all these places are rail lines so very, very important. Now, Nina is Casem. Now, a bad rail, any investments now are very, very huge to the extent, say, when there is a lot of funding, and it's difficult to do these things. And see, this is a good start. 12 trains are hitting from Poland, the airban, a good start. And again, a bad, that's a chance, pretty. That's a Ghana for you now. You a song fast war. I bet media brea. There you be pejam commonima in the national discourse of your conversation. You bet railway no some kind of priority. Said you be and also so I be encourage you buying. So you bet me. I be it all has to do with money. I buy a share. You say you bet me some more funding. Said you bet me a dear Peja Jumedian Nafi, Kojo Chrome, Huni Valley Takwa Pistia, Bebia, Reals, Nasa said, you bet me a CC, said a train me at Marco.
Wadauma, Biramanase, ye shares eti Tracy, and Amokwaso, a siposo, a bada bain, a brebain, a ba, a quani saying, and Pacanante Mape. Was how do you mean himself? Sorry, Sakumo no spenters. Mesoriana baby, I'm meeting Pumeji, who na besing, no frite, my baba saying, Aquaco si one more concrying. Sisiania, Ebby, wouldn't kind bubo baby, and Pacadine tema, and then him, and some dear Bayjuma.
Yes, it's baby. Is it for Accra twins? However, running through circle, any even Accra tema, any impact, and only were maintained rail lines that they operated that. So they all kind of say they are information. What is a train? I'm on a year that and with new ones never, they'll be operating on these places Accra, Tema, Accra, in Sapem, Accra, and Pakadani, and even with the Priscilla who never said train quite near. Now say, I mean, can take it to me faster with ease. You better quite a bit me release some of these trains about and the air anyone say we be an opener for us. Said there are other rail lines. You call what I say, and you bet me a try any. I shall honor said there Ghana phone in our bit me are benefited from. You can take and per se be the preserve of a class. Take it, give me the now. Ewa bra, Kojo Krume, what Accra day, any Takwa Prestia, Huni Valley, baby, Eastern region, realize they do a while, and yet come on, and come also to be here the services of this train. In I'm sure the Ministry of Railways, Edi Hujuma, sure everybody in the country would have to benefit from a train. And while in the train, I now offer and everyone who are from crowd and
one secondary school. Yeah, Makwanya, Form 5 says for me, Eja. Na ye kwa, and why been actually tremble Katia? And first sleep at the bet now you do, Kama. A boy is so from. But since I am no me, I'm to trust here to one more to twin in Atunton. Obedu baby pa, say. That dear Sonia dear, a hawk radio train rails no one more a quine more senwa, one more fellow honoma, baby as a train fantasy training to me for hobium. Meaning, I don't know. I would have meaning and I'm more you to have found.
Yes, and see, you know, way so with the Ministry of Railways. Said an American old ones are saying, and you bet me are investing in them. And I say, yet me, I make sure so once. No more trains a day, but you bet me a kind. Now I am beneficial to everyone. It's consider fancy say when I said everywhere in the country will be a bit me and young fast dear a frame, nothing, and not sweat me a boy. Am I a corny about so I am so said a bear, you bet me increase your productivity. So
Yera Manasa Atabuahe, Anope Yena wase, a bre, a butre, and Chilimua, Ode, a boyen. Man, Yanaka Yentiasi no yetimi atiasi. Anopeni can say Onyame onshraw.
Amen. Miss Miller was saying Aquina de Mammy, and we try to my power. So
yeah, that's it. Observe for Yane Yewra, our government spokesperson on economy, or the Manasa Atabuahin, and in China, a coye. And I know maybe Sembia Yentiasi and then a quatrache and Como, man, a boy in Chilemo. I try say about on crown upon Semencia, Okoman Radio Sunye 97.1. And I pay my coin for Jedi and Cat to a Bakumi and Numia side, Daniel Hoba, Yene, Yewra Obi, Abatriche Como, Communication Director, Akuapem North, NDC, Mo, Amanyokonum na Wufre, na Yafe Bisan Sam Bakumi and Nubi, na Yakoyenim. Mebasisia.
Hello, Monica. Can you come over?
Mimi amedi miko if so.
Na hozo ya hefa.
Wo yo ho wo Jerusalem wo. Wonti Ifs Hills Hotel in Kaya na. Hotel wanwasu bia Akuapem mu Akuapem aye de. Na hotel wanwasu a no kɔ dia ahotoso eba ne bambo eba ne se ba bia hotel na ya akono dia. Ni Ifs Hills Hotel.
Inti hotel sa wo Akuapem mu ha.
Nti se ba bia na no kɔ ya niama basa. Danga ukwada mukura ntontume waden de bi if say hotel de ahwante sa na ne fene ya kono wo ho ne se abra wode wo 9C compound ho apɛ na automatic free wifi edam wo wo phone so na ba ne car park enso dia spacious a wo car net den wo benya ba bia park ya wo fan room se ho ne de obi wo ho a onpɛ air condition room opɛ ba bia fan bo ebi wo ho onso a wo pɛ air condition dan nso no eno nso ebi wo ho restaurant enso e wo ho no de aduan bia wo pɛ bia ubenya bi continental na say local dishes minua ubenya bi edi wo ho papa na ne san ye fe wo ho ne se awia bom na ohyewa ba Ifs Hill Hotel se wo swimming pool a eson rana be gware wom na ye exercise ma wo ho intumi ntow eba no conference room a wo bi wo ho ho so papa san so na impa no so no ye wo queen size and king size wo yeseda na wo ho entow ni nyina no e wo Ifs Hill Hotel
Akuapem hifa na hotel se wo
e wo late Akuapem Davi Junction na na sa wo hwehwe anwa chikwan dia obetimi afrɛ wɔn ɛwɔ 0263 466 793 ana 0535 015 553 ne nyina no for reservation ana se enquiries bia no obetimi afrɛ wɔn na nwa yɛ saa ama. Ifs Hill Hotel, your hospitality is our concern.
Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Offla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. And yes, cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomadia the when it trauma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Some person to call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. And almost supply a war and near and for Bibi Piara who Pibia or building site war. Kaiser almost they are into real estate development and so it would I know person who began in Tempa. Offer Offla Construction Limited Company. Gobejo so for any job Busmasi Akuapem, a monochrome Akuapem, Koforidia Asunje Junction was Sabeka Offla Construction Limited Company from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 90 954. Book on social media handles in Offla Construction Limited Company was Erekomo Kaisa we free delivery baby I will be in phone Yebekwa Koja in Tempara saying Offla dia and there you are not building Kayo Sa Offla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority.
Me pa nene de mi adma mi skin say black spots G menim boss na me read den so aye basa we ja me arewo any adwenje kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of products ma'am glutathione ne collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etiani na emane ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenhia wamma me read de aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu
Okoman Radio 97.1 FM ye doyetie for ye panesanti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumaku aworo se se opese ye bo nema wo dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa anasa wo yosofo na opese wo preachi anasa fo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena opese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hu sense productions na opese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na opese ye be fa live ewo Okoman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246 875 Okoman Radio ana Akuapem mayano
Okoman Radio 97.1 Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okay, ye na ya bobrapa. Ye kwa. Masa sikani be mano pe we sifie na wie. Obehia WC, obehia basin and stand. Obehia basin top. Obehia all the plumbing accessories are honum. Ebacha ukwa kosifie no. Obeye project no. Obehia nails, screws, screwdrivers, measuring tapes, sort of door locks, door keys, all types of paint and tapping tiness and what have you. Obehia shovel, headpans, spirit levels, Obehia pipes, tube handles, hose tab, any akeka hunyina. When you try more our Yafco Ventures, Yafco Ventures, Yafco Ventures, Yafco Ventures. Our Amanfo Akuapem on the Monochrome Road. What do we actually Monochrome now? Okono. Obafro be pona obehwa on saben kubu abro sign bi wo hono. Abansuru bi obehwa se bowura hono. All your plumbing fittings. Obenye bia hono. But bia boa me fie ye fie bia. Obenye bi. Our Yefco Ventures. Me pacho bombodi frɛ Yefco Ventures on 0244 1853 88 0244 1853 88 and 0277 86 3179 Yefco Ventures Bema Unioma pa Anape yebeni come on na ye kayo sir Eve's Hills Hotel sit for Amona bra About to be about Bejonom Edia your program bia event bia Esa so mo buano eda for munje Sasa biribia to make us kama Wabra umoka kashie bia Antano pay if so hotel ya come for the amount Me patel ope baby obey conference there were conference room or honum ope baby obey meetings you benye baby amount ope say okoda dwojo ho kakra baby o honum me patel ope say wan kasa no okọ na okọ diwe numu tafre enom ebomu me patel for both continental and local dishes you know if so hotel will be if you are na pese with you for reservation of 050 35 98 665 now only Ipsos Hotel in Kasa Ipsos Hotel for 0243 42 52 71 Makachra say enne ye kwa ye be ye ye per block so papa and ye DC yadai standard height of a block a 9-inch up a 5-inch block you will be 6-inch so you will be you will solid you will hollow up a cement a super cement a 32.R 42.R black and red and right now do any better no about Central Block Factory yes here we Akropong-Akuapem Hostel Junction me pacho for 0244 622 164 0244 622 164 say block be there say yeah at least 9-inch and the better na Amanfo and 8 na Amanfo and 8.5 and then I say for send to there yeah standard height na say we told all the 6 cars now do it say we kra sharing so pa ana pay you very come Yebedi komo ye ni abema obi oya communications director ma NDC Amanyoko no Akuapem no yebedi komo but the pre company say what that mattress papa so why what that mattress papa so what that mattress papa so what kind of engine papa nshim what kind of Kia morning a Kia Rio a Dawu mattress a Chevrolet Spa Ana Kia Bongo 3 pre company say bra bon body ama wages papa ne bo order form wasan so kra the mattress appeal so ma wetimi ada na ho pre company on 0244 40 30 90 0244 40 30 90 na koje odie na yenko Anape mo amosha yina yechechi amo Abdul Aziz Ayiko or say this Black Stars performance is just like this current government. You reap what you sow. Abdul Aziz Ayiko Obi, good morning.
Good morning, Kechi.
That is say.
Radiada from ma.
Afi mu nyina ye nhia.
No kware pe radiada chair say ne.
And na ye hia.
Sa.
Wonderful.
You do ehun ndi ehun achinje.
Na NDC Amanyoko mu ti say.
NDC Amanyoko bia sabi. Da bia ye kan say. Ye nhwe ba bia ofi ba. Ye nhwe nia. Say wa ku school so ye professor so ye doctor. yɛnhwɛ sɛ papa yɛ doctor na nurse ni woyɛ lawyer ni dabi yɛnhwɛ sɛ sɛ sika wo fi ana sika wo ni wo fi ndc yɛ party a ɛwɔ hɔ ma mobruhufo obi onu ani da so yɛn de obɛma a yɛde awa agye watu ma bɛka yɛ ho ndc dadwuno biaa ho yɛde sɛ yɛ nuanom yɛ a wɔn de wɔyɛ pɛsɛ nkumenya ne saa nneɛma dabi nti ndc mo de ɛyɛ bɔkɔɔ wonte tutwa asɛm ɛyɛ nyɔnko ɛne biakoyɛ ɛne wɔ ndc mu sɛ ɔtena meka na sɛ ɛno nti dɛ nnɛ ndc party abɛyɛ akɔnɔ obiara pɛ sɛ ɔde ne ho bɛyɛ dɛn ɛbɛdɔm ɛsiane sɛ 24-hour economy deɛ dɛn ɛreba mpuntudwuma ne ade a owura John Mahama de bɛgu akwan mu no ɛsan reba bio nti ɛno obiara deɛ wawa tu ɛreba ndc mu sɛ ɔtena meka na sɛ
wonderful. Abdul Aziz Aikosi, when the fundamentals of the economy is weak and you keep promising black stars of winning bonuses, Mozambique will expose you. Anyway, now how more parliamentary candidate to her?
Oh, Minia, na sembe na hurricane.
NDC will be.
Na NDC amanyoku a se bebe NDC since 1992. Ye sha abatwase. There is nowhere NDC akwa abatwa yemfa parliamentary candidate enko.
And ebi wo hanom ANC ha. And the person of
ne koso wo ha nyina no hu ne koye.
And the person of
so on say nipa bi refrem ani. Eye yenua John Evans Kumoji. Unim no on ya be som wo constituency hada. Wa be ye police ni a kan no na owe Akropong ha. Okoto aso wo manfe. Okọ school wo he ya okwa moso. Onye wo ho a wa ba ha. On say ya no ma won sa binti no. Wo be se wo say wo de won say be pay tiri ho. Won ti sasa ankrofo. Won ya som to won yem ye hawo. What ye hawase. Won ye kasa kire wo betie no ngatimi de impuntu de aba ha. Eye owura Evans Kumoji. One ne onipa Akuapemfo nyina agya atum sɛ obetimi edi mpontudwuma aba eye Akuapem ha ɛne nti no original NDC ticket so
but owo Ghana ha
owo ha ya
ontu kwai
na ato abone ade okwa ase ho na ade wonte ho kae I see sa wonte ye de na mbo ha mebo mu pinchim ma kyerɛ wo wahu ne yereko sa wote na meka na sɛ owo ha ya ɛna mekyɛ sɛ ɔne asom wa no police service mu ansa na service akonya bi bam nyade kwabruchiriba kotua na adusua so wasan ba
mo chairman de sen
owura da na yare honorable da na yare
owo ha
ya ontu kwan na wo somo ha da bia
ontu kwan
sabi yan de adwuma no ho yan tse ya no ma ye be ha elu pri atena wim edi nsu aguare o da bi ye wo ha ya ye ne omanfo na resom ye ka wo ho ye ntu kwan nya wo da bi ndc nya sa amanyoko so wote na meka na se enti ne bebo mpinche na wahu ye ko.
Wonderful. Obi me that say Obi I Director of Communications Akuapem North NDC Amanyoko no. Obi and someone me pese ye brobro so me twama na we choose be. IMF board approves $600 million pay out for Ghana under loan programmer. And no na no pese what say na ye di ho enkomo. And nanchen ye better expected trains and also on pay mini yewra Manasseh Atabwahe, government spokesperson on the economy. Yeah, actually ho and come on. If VAT 15% buy no pese or they to electricity bills no and so. Ete way more near o pese o touch you now what touch it on na ye ko and there ye breno e ko kakra but I know say
ose eti wo ho a yemfa chew enhye kotodwe ti akonya mefa so de chia menuanom abiesa bi etie ya no pay sanya osikan no the Eastern Regional Youth Organizer of the NDC Ura Forward or Tiano Pay mefa akonya sunsu achia Ahmed Agbanyaji and yenua Bawa Aminu communication officer of the NDC work up in offer na mafa akonya so chia tifu etie nyina no pay titiru ni NDC fo Abdul Aziz ayiku uritie ma no pay Evadin Shraw yereka IMF ho nsensem na ade menua wo se form ye hyewa nketrewo ehuta dam adenti eye owura Akufo ado ene na pamfo be formen but two futuru gu ye ni say one day IMF de one what nkwanta wapai ka che se wonu ya adwene Ghana fu nyina retie ma no pay ene de ba ne de no nsan twa ho sabi wasan tata IMF
aya na nye political talk boy na ya monk kini
political what abegina Amanfo na enuma hye wo boss what the IMF they want to kwata papai one the beka nyem na mekan so if it's a political talk then they must face the reality South in America it's answer Akuffo de be share boss Ghana is beyond IMF. Ghana is beyond sans and some nekoso into another he will make sure that our taxes are put into good use internet ban then on you asan twa ho na sabi asan be 2 futura asan go yani bio there be em so man no ye mfa na sabi bio esan se ye ntena ho ma nipa we mfa wonsa me parentri ho South na meka na se na ye mo nsem no mpenchi na ye nhwe de ekoso e wo mai hwe menua ye wo mai mo ha ana energy sector hun sensem e by APDS so kai PDS asem
me kai pa
o be ka kire se ECG ntimi nya won adwuma bio inti ni ECG company won aton ana wode ma PDS won fa nya adwuma na won hwe na mfa so mre o mai mo ha e kam ko bai no na chese scam ni pa ya pamfu ye twe wo ho de sabi aton man de o man ya bochacha ene ko si den PDS hun sensem e by ni ade ye hu nipa potia wode sa company si e hye won sa sika ko ba nyina o mapanye Akuffo entime magbu hu kontanye den anche na mum ye sika no na no dugware wo wim ene ba nsa ne akudi menua so na meti ase hwe ye ti o man na se yanka no kwara nkyere ye ho a ebedu baabi no oba kora no ntimi ntuni fibi South na meka na se esan se wo sesu mu na wa mpiri mu a wo minimu a wo pia nso figu mu wo te na meka na se internet ba den na Ghana akudi baabi akudi wo te ma se Ewura John Mahama wo ho implement bibia friend the Esla levy electricity hun sensem na kakanya hun sensem o man pampanye Akuffo de betu sika obeto no ani ye musa yo se ehun kontabu no wabu ne den dwuma be no de ani yet dem na da paafo bi te se da panom ne ade asa o manga ne sika egu won dem no wode no wepe ani akusi den eno pampanye Akuffo de person o kire se on na pamfo bi en ho ye corrupt enso ye hwe ne ekoso this galam says sensem e course ne sika fi mu bai ni tractors in there wo season ya de ena kodi den enne o man panye Akuffo ene ne ba o mia pese wo kire sa kodi den sanse nsem nyina ewen keta seaport a wakaso won keta seaport onga sa won krofo no do akodu gu ha wo tua won ko boso biara wo bra sa si kai a mo sa krofo yakogu a won nya adwuma bia en anka betima ko hye ba bia sisi school adan ama ye mofra atima trem akọ school ene sa ne mani ni akosi den na mo de bibia sa nkrombo ene na sefunti no bibia mo so ko IMF mencho on no hwe ka kire be kai se ye call COVID by nanse ya na ade IMF am almost $900 million. World Bank am almost $1 billion and over. And akosi den. And one year dokro and the sabi china ma anwe ne se am was a cost over $1 billion cedis. Sani men nyina akosi den. Oh, when ni nsensem ni ade ama on kire ai den aba man esan se Akuffo na pamfo no wo nyina wo discuss won paase. Ebi ni nia nipa bi kopu yesu a na beto dwa mpipu entimi nka ho asem bi wo. Sikapudu a ese yede hwe oma ne bo ma no ho ba no mo de nyina che mo paase ana mo de ketase ne proye ana mo wom.
But it is not proven he say sika na aban esika
menua if it is not proven where did she get those sorts of money hwe onipa biara wanu asem no wodi buso asem wo sisile ba be kire se ono de enunua bi a wawu sika no de bi jaw no ekokoba na yatoro esanse ninua na oreka ne ho asem no eye okunafu a ninua no wi no okai no obejira bonti pe fese ni asile da paraka na yatoro nkontombonguto no ridi entiminua na asem na asene den he's not able to prove the source of her wealth, so how would we judge her? And it is indeed true.
But the case is still
pending before the court.
Of
course. I'm an OSP. I filed for money laundering. So she must be able to explain to us why she had that source of money.
Unless you say a judge, a banser, if they are able
of course, we know. Said that money is part of those stolen money that belong to Ghanaians.
Stolen money?
Yes.
Stolen money?
Of course. We know. We know, sir, it belongs to Ghanaians.
I see.
Of course. Yenim ne eko etan se yete PDS hun sensem ne ade yentimi mu hun konda bu ya na taske we fifa ne bai. We know what is happening in the country, and of course Ghanaians are aware, and that's how they are calling for John Mahama. Menia John Mahama or de ko IMF de hun so mfaso wo man mu. Menia ebi ne dan John Mahama de ko IMF sabi wan fo yankoto chacha ankoto o man no.
But critics also say that we've been to IMF for 17 times.
Of course.
And of Ghana nyam faso die bi IMF.
And na very chill faso yin yan. Hwe o man panyin John Mahama ba na penso obai. And na UGMC University of Ghana Medical Center. West Africa bi ni ha. Ah on me dia dance ka chiri. Says can be no this is a hospital UGMC. Amen we wa. I di ho dance. Yare bia ni ho adebeko UGMC. Wo said wo nya no aduru ema wo. Ene nipa fia mama horoso e ba UGMC. When nyina kasika John Mahama. Ebenye ya ode ball man yon Sadom. Ebini Upper West Regional Hospital. John Mahama be see. Bank of Ghana Hospital. John Mahama ne be see. COVID buy ni ade. Oho no wode Akuffo ado appoint this na ade. Eko. Akuffo ado buy then wetimi aye. In the health sector, mention one project, and we can't count on any of them. So you need IMF a yekono. Yenya hon faso. Akuffo ado a pension kuto ni akwa IMF yenya faso bia ye. Okape wo so ye ni na free education. Enso na ye micro free education. Hwesika wotua. Aka free the kwamboni wan kan agayi. South na maka. Ni on payin John Mahama can say. When he comes, he will review the free education. On class will become you. On the nenseke sika odi empuntu juma. He will review it. Then already. You already say. Sasika ofunu kusuku a woje wonen obetwam. Oma ofunu ho aden ato. Obekosuku a untua simpo ne pani ewo ho. Ena John Mahama aden erika ho asem. Obekaya or start the free day school system. Or start see e-blocks. Of which about 129 was started and about 40 or 50 of them were completed before he left government. It was a gradual process. And that's what we are talking about. And to rise John Mahama's Oba, obviously more infrastructure what? Projects.
IMF
or buildings. TMA. And IMF ska. Ora John Mahama ba bem. Sika no beto. Ora Akuffo ado ba bem. Sika no beto. Na den already jawan se wako. Let's talk about these things. John Mahama came and inherited an economy that was about $62 billion. And of course, he used those money efficiently. Ghana be ebenya ho faso. South na meka na say. Ghana be ebenya ho faso. Faso amekan. Ebi ni Formina District Hospital America ho asem. South na meka. Ebi ni Terminal 3 America ho asem. O man payen Akuffo do den origin away. And e boss yan wa bo over 600 billion Ghana cedis. Den o dey aye. Fiti Kwame Nkrumah penso. Besi John Mahama penso. Obi anya sikada. Say the Akuffo do ebenya yi. Nobody has been able to inherit such an economy, an amount of money. Akuffo ado adebe abeto. And akusi dey. And now they are now high plane now until we. Whilst we have a presidential jet. Unim so man who but look at what you are still doing. MPP doesn't care for Ghanaians. One when so into a packet can what they Akuffo. But we are promising them and sound a caution to them. Any money that they have accrued and your money is gone, they will account for it. We will not let them go scot-free. South in America. And we will never near because a politicity. Never. Share or John Mahama ho. Nankasa and Akropong. He made them to face the law. Today, what are we seeing in the economy? Obia yenyope. Obia kasa sinibua. No yenyope Ghana. Hey, na Kwame Nkrumah Ghana odi jaw ni abedu. Ni o man payin John Mahama Ghana odi jaw yen ni akudini. Ghana is far beyond these things.
Now, we've been to the IMF for 17 times.
Good.
Now, let's look at this. Obi, nyame ya domwa enimenum ya ndede dapenya mo $600 million US. Eba beto BOG accounting him. Eto mu wi anope me the spokesperson on economy Manasseh Edin Komo. Were outlining maybe this kind of and stuff. Irrespective of Obia baby our war politically, no. Do you foresee say MPP Amanyoko no ebetimi atoto enyo maybe and now because say MPP so our power NDC and so our power MPP will do the same thing. From 1957 through 1969 the government at that time inherited a sizable level of foreign reserves from the colonial government officials, development assistance flowed in and grew for first independent sub-Sahara Africa country. Since that time, Ghana, yakwa IMF, yakiji sikani biya, sisi ya NDC by OGB. What can say be MPP? No more can say.
We use history to judge our future. And indeed, history is a guidance towards our future. Yedi emfatum. Send ebe and ye see bibi ekwono yenye de yenye bio. Hwe untimi mfa sabi ewo na da do say we de sen kwadu. So timase. Hwe nyoman yakudwi. And the IMF won sense. Menua ni Akuffo na pamfo no e de abeja we ne anya de pa wo yet ye no be catch say bank a dollar what the IGP safo akọ $2 today the dollar will not rise again. Hwe when the first tranche of COVID $600 million e be du o man menua busa ho se mfa so be na enya fim juma ben ne wo de adi na den ne ehu se wo de sika ye den eye sika no ho acha di and what is sika bi ani ho. If we don't get this $600 million or this IMF money, this country can't survive. Taxes ni ade a woje no. Then no wodi ye. Sasi kan then no wodi ye. E sika wo chema one girlfriends ni ade ana. Ebi ni ekoto sasi da pass egu ni dem yo. Na ni Minister of Finance na nkasa no, then ne koso ho. Hwe me nua. Ensem na ye kan, mo na nkoye say ndisi funkuto na de kasa asem yo. Indeed, MPs and ministers under Akuffo has all come out say they want Oforiatta sacked. I didn't hear now because he's managing the economy. Most MPs has come out and say they don't need Ken Oforiatta at the Ministry of Finance. Why is Akuffo still maintaining him there? What is his interest on the Baumia? The economic management team. What is their interest of maintaining Ken Oforiatta? And yes, Kadia and Ken Oforiatta shouldn't have been there by now. Now say the former board chairman of GRA, if I'm right, Professor Stephen Adey, TV3 for a granting interview, and he said the corruption going on under Akuffo is unprecedented. He's shocked. And indeed, Professor Stephen Adey was once a person who served under this government as board chair of GRA. And the SML sent $100 million in so this government is full of corruption. So when Kasa MPs and ministers, and they better just say, why are you still maintaining Ken Oforiatta? And now him say, IMF secure Benina Ken Oforiatta will move percentage. Onuyane Bank Data Bank is the broker of every money that comes into this country. What is his interest? Nobody didn't. And then, Omani Guduku to Jesu. And he is ran san yedi. And yes, I on mine na Joma Hamadi Jawengo. And yes, on mine. Today we are begging. If IMF doesn't come to our knees, we can't survive. No one was cancer for Koya Jumanswa. Do you know say IMF gave us some conditionalities to meet? This money would have been disbursed in somewhere October. But Ghana was not able to meet those demands. I didn't hear. Sika what the brains yemfa question put to Jumano yemfa Jumano. And this is what we are talking about. Today we are seeing the dollar keep on rising. And the $1 almost 12 cities, 50 pesos in our markets.
I do baby a peja crack or slow. It was around 16, 17. And I say a buffer my buffer.
Yeah, can the Sanaches and kind of current show man from Minya. Under the leadership of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Not dollar die. Akuffo the Beshaya boss under his legacy, under his leadership, the dollar will not keep on rising again. Mebwana. John Mahama left us with $1 to 3.90 pesos equivalent before he left office. Today is over 12 cities. Obeshaya boss a dollar no what they Egypt suffer akotum. What are we seeing today? That's why somebody is comparing the mismanagement and the Black Stars to the economic management team. And then Yehuni Koso main to the as the say. And then I say sorry. We are hearing that GPRTU is about to increase fares by 15 or 20% or so. Does it look good for Ghanaians? The moment you better lorry for pay it affect all commodities on the market. What's our income base? I am a consumer was cancelled. Then you mismanage it. What was a mismanage? Ebini Keta sa port our kind. Do we have Keta port in this country? Catchy. Your port be a friend Keta port Wahana, which is receiving vessels and Kuhana. No. But today we have appointees 7 over there, of which we have indeed the cater port director. What's his duty over there? What's he supervising over? You will have no coffee share, but say they will build a fishing harbor. Oh, Cape Coast. What have we seen? Where are those monies? You will have no catches. They will build a SkyTrain project before 2020. What is the SkyTrain project? Where are they? Upon all this money they've received, over 600 billion Ghana cedis. What have they been able to do with those monies? When John Mahama had these monies, Mimia, he built infrastructures.
By the close of 2022, we were owing $63.3 billion US dollars. We were owing the multilateral institutions, and by the close of 2022, we were owing the World Bank $4.6 billion.
And does it look good for this country? Mania, and America say, I am not person more say, Amanfo and when John Mahama inherited our economy, Ghana was owing about 60-something billion cedis or so. He left with about 117 billion Ghana cedis. So during John Mahama time, he accrued about 56 billion Ghana cedis as debt. And these people prove it to us that they can even do it better. They have the men. Today, where are the men? And then, sir, 117 billion Ghana cedis, and who could do 600 and something billion Ghana cedis. That means Sika Bankrofi is more than 500 billion. John Mahama may bear 57 billion people. On the 2 years, I'm putting to Jumeyo. What when you over 500 billion Ghana cedis? What have you been able to do with? Are they the same? Are these figures the same? They are not. Too much is given, much is expected. No, Mungo Tanchea. No, Tony Nie. Minia. Ubo koto kwasia nyankopon na hwe woto sabi eno ne ene yewumi bibia ne hwekoso o mayim. Today the country is broke. Education is broke.
But IMF for so Ghana baso minia say baby inflation e kokoduru
where wuti ukru
na oni bedro
catch I am to mubuase where wuti ukru na oni twan efa so ehihye oni mia no obi gina bonte na ode tu ayam bibia wo fa na asem yasem
basa nipa na ma usika na nipa na ma embra bi se di so na nipa na hu se wo di mbra ne so
na minia emra na woni so ye sika na ode ma no when was the first rate given? Catch we went to IMF last year.
Yeah,
and they told us that the second tranche will be made available if we meet all the conditionalities in some October last year. $600 million.
But there was a condition as well. Say
yes.
Or say
no. First tranche no count. Yes, some Bobo say be on chain. Treasury bills from the state institutions, government has gone for all of them. This was not part of the conditionalities. It was 3 billion some. Also be released in time after time. But meet A, B, C, D. And the second tranche will be released in October 2023. Were we able to meet those demands? No.
But if you know, why are they giving us the money? If we've not been able to meet the conditions, why are they giving us the money now?
And then I make us say, and you too for you na enter crabo. What's the American say? Why be sure say you don't need IMF to survive. Why be sure say you can survive with the economy. If the balance was say IMF mama untiminta. Minya IMF scan one farm my see yen twa no. One farm IMF scan my see yen fan come yen girlfriends near you. They give it to us so that we'll be able to what? Meet the demands of the people. They will can what? Be free economically. Anything my says can. Na so one was say fa koy ABCD adwuma. Na wanti menye say adwuma na o chan bi o san fama o. Da bi o de mena beto ho. Anything na what sam na nyina yeden. Ato ho say yen multilateral creditors. Ama manga yede de wonka ansa na yaba wona so bi o. Esan say yentimi sa ama na nkasa. Anye no be ma iska bi o. Anu nti nene ye ko China fo ko pa won chew. Ye ko Europe ne ko pa won chew. Ye ko America san ko pa won chew bi o. Ansa na amefo yeden ama isika. O man ebubu. This is Akropong and Pressure. Where are we going? Where is our feet? And that is what we are talking about. What did I say? This is nothing for us to even go further because this government has clearly lose its wheels. What do you mean? Oh, for that, IMF. What shows that he can deliver us from IMF? All MPs are saying that they don't need him. And it's on records. Why?
Including Natacha.
Of course. of course, chairman for this legal committee of parliament. Akuffo and Kasa Ninyao. They have come out say they don't need him because they think that he failed miserably. And if your economy has failed, the government too has what? Failed. Because the nation of the day depends on the economy of the government. And today nothing is happening. And they failed woefully. Let's shift to the conversation and talk about things better because this is nothing better for us even to discuss about.
But in all things, IMF is ready giving us the money. The board has met, one way share, one more giatum. They have given us conditionalities or conditions to comply and follow. And now they are in to give us their money.
Yes, or Barbara for Kwari or the public few. I keep on reminding you, and Ghanaians are listening. Mitchell said, at a Mills and then John Mahama government to even took us to IMF. We saw good things. We saw car power. We saw Terminal 3. We saw UGMC. We saw Dodoa District Hospital. We saw Formina. We saw Kwahu Government Hospital. We saw Regional Hospital. We saw so many things about health infrastructure. We saw so many expansion of health water infrastructures. Barikese Dam. We saw it. Dodoa. We saw it. Teshi distillation plant. We saw it. When it comes to roads, we saw the circle interchange, and it's visible on grounds. Pokwasi, it was part of it. Tema interchange was part of it, and so many other things. So when this money was given to us, we were able to account to the people. Say, this is indeed what the money has been used for. Sikana what the money, Juma Today, the IMF is still giving Akuffo money because the nation is on its knees. IMF humo born what my wanganyama yegu. And you be to humo.
That be to me Kasi. We've been there since 1966.
No, we've been there, but when they give us money, they get the expected results. And that was why they were still giving the money to us. But today their conditions is go and see your creditors.
No, anytime IMF will give you money, there will be a condition. No, there will be conditions.
Listen, let's not confuse our audience. When was the last time IMF catches external credits and saying about Onaso? When was the last time? Tell me.
Oh, but external.
No, when was the last? No, what the truth? No, let's be fair to ourselves.
Obi.
See, catch it. Obi. We are confusing them.
My country be a business.
Yeah, the conditionalities at home. TMA. But when was the last I was say, Kohu China and Sima Mosca? Kohu US and Sima Mosca? Kohu UK and Sima Mosca? When was the last time?
Because Yakan Kosro, we are owing.
So it has never happened before. No, listen. Catch it. It has never happened before. Say, I'm a catch Kohu external credits and Sima Mosca. It has never happened. What do you mean, arguing? It is true. We are not saying the conditions are not true. It is true. But there is no regime. IMF catch-ups Kongo external credits and Sema Mosca. It's only this government identity because we are on our knees. We are begging. France organized a forum. We went to beg them. Any forum that has been organized, we go there to beg.
But Ghana has been doing la sula for
it's
a
never
long
true.
time.
President Ruto of Kenya.
Are you trying to tell me, say,
let's go to facts.
During the tenure of President
Ruto of Kenya
and President Mahama, Ghana, Anyala Lasula.
So that's why President Ruto of Kenya and President Ahmed Bola Tinubu of Nigeria, once they met at the African Union level, and they were all chastising Ghana. That you are saying that we shouldn't be begging for money, but you yourself, you are still begging for money outside. But meanwhile, when you come outside, you tell people, say, we Africans do not need to beg for money. But we are for so it's on to us. They have all seen that they are just using Ghana to play politics. What Tongamano? If your co-partners or co-presidents are telling you this, what's Ghana? What's in American? Because countries go to IMF to survive their economics. But we have to see our external credit. We have to go and beg them.
But do you think a Ghana and IMF can't actually there are other countries. There are other, not Ghana alone. Ghana was not singled out.
You and I are Ghanaians. Are we Ghanaians?
We are.
And of course, we are proud citizens of Ghanaians as Ghanaians. Young man, can say, "I be the home." What's the American say? And also be able to just show up. No one sounds with the home. It has never happened. Say, your external creditors and saying yes, why? Because we have mismanaged our economy. Ghana is on its knees. I didn't say external credit and saying yes. No, Minia. In fact, one man said, I to send a sebi you. Opet Kefi. Wapam found 1 year, you may. na answer na pamfo be ma oska o se ko hu odai answer na oska ko hu yes no one say sebi what ma say I want to be ntua. Your integrity is on the low. That's why they are telling you go here ABC ko busa won say answer na ma oska. And that's the state of Ghana now. That's clearly our state. Today our energy suppliers are telling us say if you don't pay them they can't give us electricity. That's why we are seeing doom so today. Today they doom so all over. But they are feeling
ECG has come out say enye doom so.
True. Minia. O man pay Akuffo catch say who can hear so na doom eden. Doom so na mebo catch. And what are we seeing? We are seeing that exactly that today. But they are failing to account their reality to us. Today when you go to Accra in the industrial zones, it's always going off. Well, we are not able to pay our own power generators. We're not able to pay them. Today, Wako is on its knees. As the power plant, the same thing. Mania, what are we doing to our country? Why? Ebane said that say. I'm not man paying Mahama. And I do say. He made sure that as a leader, he solved that problem. He solved it.
Asla usuka bibi Akuffo. I curse Mahama anytime
the light goes off.
Yeah.
Today he should say that same thing to his government. And he's failing to admit. You see, what to Bobo Diane? Esamba wa usu. Minya. Ejuma no we chira. Obefo say easy. Today we have given you the mandate. Solve it, you are still complaining. After 8 years, almost 8 years in government, you are still complaining. That's why man to be more man. You are 8 years old. You have still been able to deliver to the people. And that's exactly what you are saying. Today, ECG is in a debt of about 10 billion Ghana cedis. It can't pay its generators. Those who supply them power. I didn't tell you. John Mahama Apenso, we left about $200 million as surplus. That's ESLA, energy sector levy. So the country was okay. Electricity generation was okay. Everything was okay. Today, what are we seeing? We're even increasing the cost of electricity. But we're not able to account for the electricity we use. PDS can send some. Minia, we are assuring those people who were part of the PDS, when the next NDC come to power, we will make sure that they account for the impact that they cause the country.
Okay. Now, Obi, because of our time, my share, I don't know, you choose any of these. VAT on electricity, yes, and also maybe the expected trains to arrive in Ghana. Me nimni apese we nanka yembie kwai tie for so mbre mu kakra aka yebrebe yesima dupe
me celebrate kra kwatikwa so be mount ma busanidi.
Okay.
Na aya na MPP for no aya na wo ho yesrew. Hey, hwe anoma patu pre. Wo se me na so ne mesu. Sa train nsensem America me de wo bekwapem no fa ya me ma yen kwachiri. Wouldn't say can mango as yet not train for. I will train na de nyina e wo. Menua train na de wo ho you know to ankontonto. E be kosi wo krase. Today where are they? Na de na say wo ho na say wo bo ho ban. Wo ton adi. Na wo ton dia den na de be adwuma ni bi.
Ben wo mo ton hwan ya epeso hwan ya breso.
Menua you can go through the news portals just about 3-4 months ago. It was during this government era and it ton sa na be jeopardy edi. This thing has been there since time memorial. Oman John Atame also. We came and rehabilitated in some Tema Railway. It has been in operation since then. We didn't come to sell things we inherit. We came to maintain them and improve upon them. And that's what exactly this NDC administration did. And the Akuffo Bay, we called the MCE. The Honorable MC of Akuffo North, Ora Meshach, and he wasn't able to explain himself. That he doesn't know. And now show news portal, it's all over Mangwasi, and they've come for those rail tracks. Where are they? Yohana, the Minister of Railways, is it the former ambassador to UK? I've forgotten his name. He told us by the end of December 2020, Ghana of first Sky train projects. On it. Otrofo been see that gogo am the World Cup of Atro we are seeing here or Mampanya be de Baumia. Kokate sort for this. Say Ghana Benya Sky Train project. Minya, have we seen that? Omai Muhefa. I know say Ghana has a Sky Train project. They have not been able to tell us a single truth. And of course, Ye can't come as our project in they give the money you. Where are the projects to account for? Where is the money? Because your chroma sem okay. I've been in Takwa. I've worked in Takwa before.
Okay.
Takwa mpesuaso 50 nsuayem. Kofa dumpim simpa. Ahweti yeso. Tamso kosi Takwa kro na mini mebia ho. This Kwadwo Chrome real project working, standard gauge project working. Go over there just about a couple of months ago. Train back who escalate off the road because it was not done properly. The gauge was not done properly. It wasn't done properly. Today they are trying to tell us in one of their manifestos, 2020 manifestos, they told us they will be constructing a railway train project from Accra to Kumasi and from Kumasi to the northern region. That's what they are all about. All they know is that they'll come to the news and bluff. Have we seen that? It's all truthful. We are saying that radio so.
Don't you think?
And when you no, sorry, Kasasi ya.
This or be omuguso.
Mini oguso where you way.
Because
also, I know all my ha. Mini I know there be a many journalists for. Say you come say answer na Amanfo betting same course o man mu no. E je man won you. Munni ma Amanfo no so nye dey enni ho. Munni ho aba no so ni ho. What's the American say?
Yeah.
This is the same me ekoso anka wonka wate. Ka wa bobu anu anka da wa bobu anu.
But me father is in corridor. And I witnessed say rails not one of them. Then now I was touring the Volta region.
Yeah.
And he call a place like Vedeme. Me fawa kopie hohoi. Peter Mewu Mpesuaso. Before I me do on me who say the project was ongoing. But as we speak now, meaning baby I could do good. But it was ongoing.
Where they so many are ben meno. Yentry Akuapem for Adrian so. Sateman Pakadan Railroad project it was started under John Dramani Mahama, and you are aware. Monies were made available and contractors were brought to site to execute the projects. And then yeah, so fast where we. Minya, Peter Amewu is now the railways minister. When was the last time you saw him on the press? When was the last time?
It's been a long time.
Good. I didn't see. What can I share? One person the qualifying a be cost one man him. To what can I say? And that train who send 70 a day who ya could do. And I made a child say, so what coach never know the Ghana will have its first this from Poland. It's all lies. Sky train project was share a boss everybody. I was hifana. I be doing hifa. Minya, yeah, tell my man will catch and say, secondary school for men in them, when they'll be giving them free tablets. What is our free tablets? Namana? Catch it. Then you are turning contumpo. Yeah, well, my man over catches they will provide free Wi-Fi to all secondary schools in this country. And they are considering. But Omiade, they be a make us say, on ya ye. Now, throw the guard no hono, many shows will be 22 who have an name. After a guard no do. Now, where we also have a catching say, we are getting trains from Poland. Mania, now train that don't what is happening by Faso. Have they built systems for those things? You build systems before you operationalize them. What's the American say? And then I pay for crumble to you. So
if I understand you well, NDC is there for the poor.
We are there for Ghanaians, all Ghanaians. That's something you said.
Okay.
You see, when NDC was formerly AFRC,
my NDC policy bang back bang, and I want a year. The poor, the needy
gets fund. The greatest of all, the vulnerable. The greatest of all is what? Gets fund. Upon all policies, the greatest of all is get fund. Minya, what if a policy beyond to get fund? You see, during our late present time, that is John Rawlings under the NDC, we instituted get fund. Akuffo and Amanfo, they rose against that. That's Get Fund though. Today, Get Fund is building schools. Get Fund is building health infrastructures.
So Get Fund was meant for the poor.
Ordinary poor. That was why all these things were even giving schools free school uniforms, sandals, textbooks, scholarships. These were all part of what? Get Fund. Men Get Fund. It was all there. And the Get Fund is on knees. A book. Yentimi so nipa nimpa sen enhwe won adenti ne say bansa. Today nothing is happening. All right. So we are telling Ghanaians, we are telling Ghanaians say they should keep on advocating and rallying behind the NDC. Na yetu Akuapem no fufu nyina for say menua. Enhwe ne maybe yere koso na wonfa ne maybe nada. In America no wonfa ewo enada ado yo. Wonfa ewo enada ado.
Okay.
Sa loto sika nsensem say yomanfu sika. Menua, we should vote for the right person.
Okay.
Honorable one do by 2016 2020 but dada no wenfa. Today she has neglected her constituency. Akojina Blekuma. Eja yen ho. Today we don't have an MP. And on I'm not campaign ewa Blekuma. We want somebody who thinks of
Blekuma. Okay.
But that's so what you might do so. Okay, queen of. So that means she has neglected her own constituency. MPP doesn't have anything good for this constituency as far as Akuapem is concerned.
Okay.
So they should choose and vote and rally behind Honorable Ivan Skumoji. He is the best person as our MP to represent the people. Apart from him, there's no other best person, no other alternative other than Ivan Skumoji.
Meda say, well, ebusiafo ene yeko na yafa, but Mr. Udino mami kan we kakra Edwin Kwabena Mokwando Mr. Yatun Safre NDC for obi ka tose yatun Safre o mo a na oboa ye frɛ won on phone ye frɛ mo so mo mbra because I believe say I should be fair. I need to be fair. I need to be truthful and that stuff. I'm applying all the ethics that I learned, and I'm telling you. And yes, sir, yeah, the NDC is in China. No, but you say where I belong to. NDC for say me MPP ni, NPP for say me NDC ni. NT Mr. Edwin Kwabena Mokwando. Aya. Na o kan se mo na wape ne pomesi bransa what you me hunu kre na waka I say Obi, you are doing really well. Grace of Missions Kebera a cappella from Ochitri Kokomo electoral area. Okay, that is Edwin Kwabena Mokwando. All right. I say it's about time you gave the NDC communication an equal. Yes, we've been doing that. I've told you earlier that we've been giving them equal opportunities to come and do also talk. I mean, we are giving everyone the opportunity to come in. There's nothing. We give you the opportunity. Pop Jake, or say Obi, I see you. Yes, Obi, I see you. So 055-166-7755 0270-1919-71 are the lines activated for you. And I pay maybe a credit at what Mama Obi to me a boy Rembi. Na onso waka or the Wajentre de Abaframe na yanko Dokunu Rabba Kojo Dako. Good morning.
Otafregya, good morning.
Dokunu Rabba.
I'm not playing so what I'm saying. Who program is so far? This year is still not award for the Wafa baby. Many copy. Send our captain Kofusi. Who friend NDC for and what class are out now? You know, and they say a brand to us now. I now kind of all the young boy I said they shouldn't just throw dust into our eyes. And some people are can know what should be up. I'm here to say now Uber can send now the name of Frafra now can be a lot to scan. You know, Okafa. Now young who's to you play off and say Ghana Hana should be one. Eto da ne maybe see na mo kokura afo so ya o ke kan send this obi number bi nipa ne poe okura bi o ko boni ti so fo say e sika bi e wo so di kura no wansa no de ye ne bi o de nti eto da ye so wo betena wa won ka no kware na ye nsu a ye che da nim bebre no ye nsu se bi fi me da se anope mami ti a eye Honorable Daniel Kenneth o KBC nyame sawu sana me ti nyaka nyame sawu
Meda say mami kona me ne ohene nana enkasa ohene nana good morning.
Fine morning abra.
Net say adom radio home mo.
Yo every day say what the NDC me no. I wait na ho na mo was mu go no ya wo there. Yo o kasa no wakasa be fine. Ye na ye ga no. Otono bo ati no on kasa. No won kan kware.
Okay.
Dumuso say minia kreduma. Dumuso
say me adwuma wo dom ama beso ada no end the one kind of one kind of kakra mai na yan so wo ho na pe say e bi I bet my say yan agene at the say yan agene miss one candidate go away only Ghana or whatever and you go to Barima akwamba to magateri
me da say ohene nana onso betumi abrem we oti frank o say okay oti frank you don't have uni ayana say uni factor we now we prove say okay so you cannot say sebio Samuel Oku is using NLA money oh, okay. Or say Samuel Oku is using NLA money wisely because people are benefiting from it. Okay. Oti Frank, that is it. Philip Kwekweje says the NDC commitment to youth empowerment led to the establishment of the National Youth Employment Program, providing jobs opportunities and skill training for Ghanaian youth. Okay. Philip Kwekweje and Ode Wenso Baye. Why na wama home is way? Good morning.
Good morning. Biobaro Nilape.
All right.
But me first akonya wentia me boss Miracle Sabuaje.
Okay.
Any the incoming MP Supreme Samuel Oku.
Okay.
Lawyer Samuel Oku. You me contribute kakra o program is. Em se metie NDC propaganda secretary no ate wonu. Na so far omaduma ayeso mo ya ni omo ye propaganda omo ye communication.
Oya communications director ma Akuffo North.
Faster me. Oh, yeah, propaganda secretary. Now, see, I'm some your communication. Why? Oh no, propaganda not one way. Now, that's all this time. Say, on saying one poor policy by Akropong NDC, they are Ghana. And all can say get fund. Or engineering who say all can say get fund. Or your true the guy is very a liar. He's a liar. So far, me who will be a watch out tracing will be other. NDC need a agenda be Ghana. Send NDC agenda be Ghana. And come back change your mama. Obi a Ghana are rejecting no mo sign number o de Mahama be toto baomia o de John Mahama be toto baomia why na Akropong say John Mahama
me pacho court bia nchen say we wie sika and a court bia enti yentimi enka all right me da say what make you submission here. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Pacho, good morning. Your family, Acapella.
Okay.
Free Okitirukokum lecture area.
Okay, Acapella.
Yeah, we nipe you over time. Well, to know say, funny queen. Aspirant, yes, an honorable John Ivan Skumoji, or Krum here, Uncle BBI.
I see.
Intimosomo Kasa, Obi Kasa, no Macatella, so only factor.
Of course, me only factor. Like I say, one will say, me, no crow, say, Papa no, me who ne da. Masade bisana se ba me who ne da. Aha.
Yeah, but I won't say, Omoka, Samuel Kwasi, so you should look to ski. Me eyewitness, or you should look to scan, but to see any factor, my enca. In the silence will be so a chat throw a fire MP in one. I was also to me stopping and say, a man and cat only factor.
Okay.
Yes,
may that say, anyway, hello, good morning. Yes, hello, good morning. Yes, 055-166-7755, 0270-1971. These are the lines activated for you. 055-166-7755. 055-166-7755. Okay, yes. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Boss, wouldn't be out free?
I'm Philip Kwekweje, make a free Akropong-Akuapem.
Okay, Philip Kwekweje, my NTO.
But you know, be making submission, say, MPP, parliamentary candidate or one for saying, yeah, where say, a honorable Nana Dukuya, ACMAG, then I am iron, or you one giant, a one crying, since you are contest, baby, in a ticket of MPP, one Akropong-Akuapem, since we to Swaba, Sami Okusu Swaba. Then pan say Ombamedi we are the sometimes any factor my Kasa don't even school your room here at the appropriate time you be who or the broker among but your medasi.
Okay, medasi. And it was so submission would Aba me fa two more callers na FA me call on 055-166-7755. Yeah, yes, I guess I have a caller here. Yeah, hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me pa cho dini bia free.
But your friend,
me pa cho yo, my intio.
You, Mr. Medawasi, or friend Dane. They communicate no Medana Sipa, NDC. Na, or friend Dane, LPP for propaganda no way. If you never be or Moka, and Koye, Dokua, then I am like a book. Shanae like a quiet. Ono kwa ba la te kwa be ka si ono kwa ye open day politics ago ni mu se kuro bi a de la te so la te na unya vote tu fi se awa gwa ye bi o se mo de same oku aba ye so ya re hwe se na ye se be aye na fa
okay
ye o mo ya ne de ye so ya re hwe won
Meka, me da say, my main family last caller. Na yentin komo, ye fan komo ni na ambra ne wie yes. Hello, I guess my last caller is here. Hello, last caller. Good morning. Unfortunate, 055-166-7755, 055-166-7755. Alternatively on 0270-1919-71. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Boss, we didn't be out free.
Me pacho me free latte. Na me de Felix.
Okay, Felix, my interview.
Pacho we de papa no utimi say ensem o kan o struggle pa. O say ade adwuma ma be ye no. Won so amwai kra. Bon every administration would jakato ho ansa na woko. Oh, free SHS, at the free teachers training and a nursing training. You left all of them. And I'll tell you IMF. And you abide now wabano. What Caben open woman? And I watch you and I walk Kasa and I wait and I won't babies and I walk Kasa. The way as a politics no, now it's a dirty deep. And sometimes I'm kind of worried. But your man will see.
Okay, one way see, me da say. It's exactly 10 minutes after 10 here, and this is Okoman Radio on the powerful frequency modulation 97.1. Anobe Okoman Kasa, or Kasa, Mokwapem fan into my pefra, or Kasa, Emma Mpuntu, Emma Kainko, or Kasa, Emma near Essasa, a cost one, development, and as a Mpuntu, how do I say a cost to me, Akoso, Nebekoswa, Yefco Ventures, Esme Kanchro, or WC no Branabeje. Tiro holders ne branabeje shower arms no will be honum telephone showers modern kitchenwares nyina owobi na efe bathroom wares so owobi honum efe enyoma ka se boa ma yesi dan talk of wheelbarrow shovel head pans spirit level nails screwdrivers measuring tapes any ekeka ho nyina no Yefco Ventures esitu anamona bra odu manfia Akuapem odi weni achira monochrome no o be fro be pona unsa benkum abrosan foforo anasa bansro foforo na omusie no ase ho no a fra Yefco Ventures on 0277 863179 anasa 0244 1853 88. Ye wie ni sai be kwa kodi ye aduane ben ye kwa kodi fufuo ye kwa kodi benku ye kwa kodi konkonte ye kwa kodi apesie ye pe abenkwan katenkwan ebunebunu oh na ya no abenkatin kontoni bi ni abobom ye ho atoyen ewo Dinkola base de ho event center for your weddings, receptions, parties, funeral, whatever no udu ono mu a unsa beka honom na wa ye honom wakwa akoye ewo homa bibia nso akosu jojo Dinkola base former golden port Mampon Akuapem and our broadcasting opposite Mampon Presec utuana mondu hono mwa na enwa no. This one says I intentionally said Mahama is a thief. Why did he said Barima is a liar and you accepted that? We are going to go the same tangent if they don't stop. Yeah. Oh, which one is the message he's talking of? Bill Baron, which one is the message? Say, good morning, Mr. Host. Please, I did. For this, I did. Please, I did. On record, I did. And to me, Pacho, why? Bill Baron, Mr. O. Finally, Ye peja ye mu free Jumedi akonyam. Just a minute na ye fam answering call.
Obi ani adwuma omampanyin John Dramani Mahama baye. Odbe sum Ghana fo. Yesane gya akonya so ahye ombo ses woda akonya ni maya. Ye be yon afia wo ho ne okosunum. Na ya fa akonya sunso ama nipa na hu se eye owura John Evans Kumoji, the parliamentary candidate of the NDC, or you'll be on the Atna, on the Asum, on the Ayajuma, on the Atun Sedidi. On your who Krumha, send a man for a bar, Yanoma bar, and Nancy, I won't also be pre MP. Ye Pobi or Tia, how I say not Tia say.
Okay.
Will be a bit me as your friend of Brayon while he young now. Will be a Sebi Yakonaswa, a bit men in Akunya and Nasum. And you'll be a Disica Babada dying at a G2 and Nunya 2 minutes or the exam and the Kuyakotan Crank. Sebe on apam first one. Inti mu nyina wonka ye hona ye mmo owura John Evans Kumoji hon sadom na nyame adone akonya ne mana ode abesumye na me man risi kura no mefa akonya sunsu ya tiefu etie nyina techiw ne owura Ahmed Agbonyaji faculty ene mu amaka ye resre mu se monka NDC ho wo Akuapem ha NDC pene amanyuku a eda adwene ho NDC ni amanyuku a eda adwene moburu hufu no ni bi ho no ni kamafo inti monka ye ho medamase
Mesme Dawasi Anope Obi Communications Director ANC Hanom. But my advice I made by says if Ora Kumoji around as a party, more on your feasible, more man for a Montono.
Catchy, foot to do what the Mawa, as is only Panocry or do. So no do no Kawa Hintasem. Niama na nyina ko won se constituency super edu baby kra na we have advocate in senk won sanche bio MIA won sa ase won kro no doso ntogu so kwa probo ebedu mu so edu mu so ubeteneka
me da say ayi abusi afo ne adaye so ya ne pitri ha na breba makwa me de dwumadie no ebesie anope Okoman Radio 97.1 and I can and say, ladies and gentlemen, about the Ontrenimu and Chirobia, one Chirobia.
Hello, Monica.
Omensiobia, ye didn't see me cry. Remember, I love you and I will continue to love you because I love you and I love you with the love of the Lord.
I go fit by that.
Because that's how bet your Okoman Radio 97.1. Now, come on, back as I'm Akuapem for into my paper. And I mean, Pipe say, Radin train him on show. Yes, on count, huh? On show with different new fiber. The Radin your bamboo for the Radin man is see. On behalf of my boyfriend, and our Korea Ajimai, DJ Zigibi, DJ Tozi, Bella B, K Brown, together with Nana all day, Papa Baby. We say have a wonderful day. Kaakyire Kwesi Appea Apreku. Christ has some you in come on. Ebusi ama kramu nyina. Meko.
But if I care for your mommy, the problem no be money. See how the girls do they want my attention. Fake booty girl no they near me. Young girl rich, I got that cheddar. So you know they fear me. Be my body. Hello, Monica. Can you come over? We could chop love and tuna. I want you here, don't send me your tuna. I don't mind that Uber driver. I go fit by that Uber. Oh my God, party me money. Make me your baby, and I go make you my lady. All night long, party me money, cow. Make me your baby, and I go make you my lady. All night long, party me money, cow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Party me money, cow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Party me money, cow.
Rockstar made it.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
You know, one bucket of Flamingo paint is equal to several other paint brands on the market. Flamingo paint, a Papa Chain paint, bia. Flamingo paint, superior hiding. Flamingo paint, superior coverage. Flamingo paint, superior durability. Flamingo paint, simply superior.
Okoman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye for ye panesenti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nwumekwa woro se. Sa wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ya ye krado bra. Na ye ne wo enidwa anasa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akonya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akonya eda ho bra. Anasa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akonya ewo ho. Ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Okoman Radio so a akonya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246875 Okoman Radio ana Akuapem mayano
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie Owani padi mani mai she say body mati memu forward e wa kuma nefe agu kensi eni kasia papa daddy eni ampomu dunse e wa kuma nefe 97.1 kana jimo jimo misi efi anwumre opi manopano eye wara no bieti FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie.
We got it all 24/7 rocking.
Make me your radio. Turn me up when you feel
Yeah.
So sing along to my story.
My radio station.
Okoman Radio, Akuapem. Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer radio.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym class heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah. FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie. Owani padi mani mai Owani shishe padi mati memu forward Ewa kuma nefe Agu kensi eni kasia papa Daddy eni ampomu dunse Ewa kuma nefe 97.1 Kana jimo jimo Misi efi anwumre opi manopano Eye wara no bieti FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Let's go. Arrest me, take me to prison. I'll give you 1 million reasons why you should be mine, mama. You should be mine. You they make me go mental. When you make tell me why. You tell me why. Meradi, you are the woman that I need. I be the one man that you see. You set my heart on fire. You be the woman that I need. I be the one man that you see. You set my heart on fire.
They do me, you go find my trap. Whenever you call me, I come through. No matter the weather. You this boy, you go give me my trap. The way you just do me, you go find my trap. Whenever you call me, I come through. No matter the weather.
Meradi, you are the woman that I need. I be the one man that you see. You set my heart on fire. Fire.